You worked on such big projects, Makhna, Dostana. You worked with all the big actors, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan.
I'll be completing 30 years.
Let's talk about Farah Khan. She was the turning point in your life.
Farah Khan कब आएगी? उन्हें यही Farah Khan है. She's the choreographer. What? बोले हाँ ये तो teacher. You know, I've danced in all her films from कुछ कुछ होता है, K3G, Kalona,
yeah.
all the songs. I said good morning sir, and he says, he looks at me and says,
Feroz, cut your hair. Jealous, huh?
You've met Michael Jackson.
I was at the show. मैं सामने हाथ में रख के उनकी एक्टिंग कर दी मैंने. ये साला क्या बोलता है? Which was wrong on my part. मैंने सब उसमें डिसाइड कर लिया कि अब मैं इंडस्ट्री छोड़ रहा हूँ. I'm leaving. I'm not going to be more anymore here. मतलब मेरी मस्ती थी, सब कुछ सारा
खत्म हो गया, करियर खत्म. You grew up in the streets of Mumbai, and that is where, you know, the heart of Mumbai is. Every kid has a dream to actually enter the industry and work.
But dancing used to be like, you know, setback that time. कि यार dancing क्या
We used to be curse.
We used to be called bhand and all, literally.
So dance India, dance. You were the face. People were chanting your names.
That day, the Apple iPad launched www.apple.com. तो जब भी टाइप करते थे तो मेरा फोटो पहले आता था Apple iPad
Apple के साथ.
उसके पहले उन्होंने आके डॉक्यूमेंट्री मेरा शूट कर लिया. Apple people came to do a documentary in Mumbai to me.
And you've just woken up and said, "Fuck this shit. I'm not pursuing dance anymore. I'm gonna get on to something new."
मेरी खाला जान जो मेरी अम्मी की जगह ली थी हमारी वो थी, और my father who had come from Saudi that time to see us.
Oh wow.
So they had invited my parents on the show. That was a heartfelt moment where I could say literally that I loved them.
एक rumor है sir that all these shows are all scripted. They're all a facade. रोने को बोलते हैं तो उस पे कैमरा फोकस जाता है, ऐसे ऐसी कहानियां हैं. So how true or how untrue is this? Welcome to another episode of the Heartful Show, where art meets the heart. Today's guest is someone very exciting, someone who needs no introduction. He's a biggie in the Bollywood industry. He's done, I think, over 1,000 or 1,500 projects altogether. He's one of the men behind Dance India Dance. Someone who needs no introduction. Again, I'm saying the one and only Feroz Khan, sir, and my brother, of course.
Hello everyone, and thank you very much. Uske pehle, first of all, I would like to say a very warm welcome to your lovely audience in Delhi and all over the place. This is my first, podcast in Delhi. Thanks to this amazing boy. Ariman, I'm so happy and so proud of you. Before I start anything,
Yeah.
that it gives me such a pleasure to be with you and sitting right in front of you, especially in your art gallery. This is so amazing. It looks like home. The kind of work you're doing and the kind of thought you have to educate people through your art, it's beautiful, and I'm honored to be here today.
You know,
Thank you
you're
very
the
much.
exact reason why we have this podcast. Because art is not, I mean, as you were mentioning, that it's only about paintings and
Yeah.
fine art. It is not.
Yeah.
And I think you're a living example about how, art is fluid in
Yeah.
the best form possible. So,
This is one art sitting right in front of each other. Like,
Yeah.
It's your art for getting me over here, and my art to answer all your questions.
yeah, exactly. So, I mean, let's start with the basics, sir.
Sure.
Feroz Khan, who is he?
Okay, to be honest, Feroz Khan is no one. It's just a normal person
That
like
is-
you and me. I don't consider myself someone really extraordinary. Why? Because I want to be, I want to stay the same always. So till now, it's been 30 years in the industry. 2026, I'll be completing 30 years
Fantastic.
in Bollywood industry, and I still feel as a fresher.
Yeah.
So lot to learn, lot to explore, and lot to achieve still. So I still consider a fresher. That's why I say I've not reached anywhere. I still want to go ahead with it.
That is you being humble,
Yeah.
but of course we know that you worked on such big projects, Makhna, Dostana. You worked with all the big actors, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan. Like I can't even stop taking names. So how? I mean, again, starting from the basics, where did it all start?
It all started as a child, dancing. I was a street dancer. My community was like, mixed community of people where we all used to live together in harmony, peace, and we used to enjoy all the festivals. We used to enjoy every moment of our life as kid. You're going to school and there's any festival around, Ganpati Visarjan, Holi festival, Diwali, Eid. We used to all celebrate together and we used to have fun. You know, obviously dancing is one part of it. So every
Yeah.
you know, emotion. You're going to the beach with the Ganpati idol. We used to, you know, dance all the time. Holi we used to dance. So even our parents never stopped because there was no much of exposure that time about what's going on right now in the country, you know, all
That's
around the world.
exactly what I was asking.
So
Yeah.
that time, I think that those times were amazing. Those times were beautiful, where we lived peacefully, and we lived
And
in
you're literally
harmony.
coming from the streets of Bombay, the
Yeah.
slums of Bombay.
Yeah.
I mean, dreams are uncatchable. Like, they're all dreams. No one can even think about getting into that industry or the fraternity, because I think that is every Bombay kid's dream. And you succeeded. You became successful, and you got into that path, into that roadmap. So, talking about that roadmap, what did you do? I mean, simple.
I just went on with the flow, to be honest. There was no planning. I'm a person, I never plan. I just take one step at a time, and I'm a very slow runner or a walker, whatever you say. I walk very slow. I run very slow. So and that's my life is. You know, I just take it very easy. I cannot run too fast. Being because I want to see, I don't want to miss out anything, even because when you run, you miss out a lot of
A lot of
things.
things.
But when you walk slowly, you admire everyone on your way, and that's what I did. And I think a lot of people have been doing that.
So yeah, I mean, my entire intent was that you grew up in the streets of Mumbai, and that is where the heart of Mumbai is. Like, every kid has a dream. We were talking about dreams, so every kid has a dream to actually enter the industry and work. So what was that roadmap? Like, how did you start? How did that entire journey come through?
So basically, when I started, well, it was obviously schooling, and then you get really excited. The community I grew up in, slums, was a mixed community, like I said earlier, and everyone dancing around because everyone used to feel happy. मतलब बराबर में कहीं किसी घर में किसी की संतान हुई है तो there's a celebration. किसी अगर रिश्ता पक्का हुआ तो there's a celebration. So every day there used to be some or the other. कि आज हमारे घर संतान हुई है, आज हमारा रिश्ता पक्का हुआ है. तो every day we used to dance and have fun, and even people staying next to each other was very warm and very friendly. So वो सब तो चलता रहा. Then obviously स्कूल में गए तो folk dancing के लिए हमें बड़ा excited करते थे. पंजाबी folk. My first dance was Punjabi folk.
Punjabi
in school,
folk dance,
which is like
fantastic. Yeah.
taking over the world right now,
Yeah.
and I'm very close to my heart because my first education of dancing was a folk dancing properly in school. उसके पहले तो street dancing चल ही रही थी जहाँ पे प्रोसेशन होता तो हम डांस करते थे. वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ी दरगाह है, मखदूम शाह बाबा की
Yeah,
दरगाह.
of course.
तो उनका एक हर साल उनका एक उनके बर्थडे के दिन वो मेला लगता है, तो 10 दिन का प्रोसेशन, वो फिर कभी गणपति प्रोसेशन, वो सारे चलते रहते. तो हम बहुत डांस करते थे. तो स्ट्रीट डांसर कुछ भी डांस कर ले, ढोल ताशों पे. नासिक बैंड फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र इज वेरी
Of
फेमस.
course.
तो नासिक ढोल पे बड़ा नाचते थे. स्कूल में गए तो प्रॉपर टीचर्स आई थी सिखाने फोक डांसिंग. तो बड़ा एक्साइटमेंट हुआ कि नहीं यार, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड फॉर्म ऑफ डांसिंग. और बिकॉज आई वाज फ्रॉम बॉयज स्कूल, देयर वर नो गर्ल्स, सो
Yeah.
उसी में से किसी बॉयज को गर्ल्स बना दिया. मैं यूज्ड टू डू अ कपल, आई वाज अ बॉय, तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हुई. तो क्या अच्छा लगने लगा, समथिंग डिफरेंट. एंड देन उसके बाद में जब फिनिश लिटिल बिट एजुकेशन व्हाटएवर आई हैव डन, got into this field, but I didn't got into the industry immediately. So basically, there was a company called Clowns R Us, which I was working with them. I did around 3 to 4 years, and this is when I just finished my secondary school and I just got into private classes. पढ़ाई पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं होता था, which was bad, but still डांस करना होता था. तो कुछ लोगों के साथ मिलके I was doing this entertainment business where I used to go as a clown and entertain kids. That was my initial
At
beginning.
birthdays.
As birthday parties,
Yeah.
especially birthday parties. And घर पे कुछ celebration हो रहा था तो हम जाते थे as a clown. I used to be a teddy bear sometimes. I used to be a clown. So
Oh.
this is how I started. So we were only 2-3 people. We used to go together and dance. उसके जो ओनर थे अश्विन गिडवानी सर, आज उनकी बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है. तो उनके कोरियोग्राफर थे कमलाश, जो हमारे बॉस होते थे. एंड वी वर 3 of us, कमलाश, एंड ही इज अ गुड फ्रेंड राइट नाउ. कमलाश एंड और 2 एसोसिएट हमारे साथ में थे. एंड ही यूज्ड टू वेरी गुड टीचर. तो ही यूज्ड टू टीचर्स डांसिंग. तो स्लोली जब हम एंटरटेनमेंट हमने करा पता चला कि हमें डांसिंग भी करनी है, कुछ कुछ लोगों ने हमें नहीं क्लाउन नहीं बनना है, डांस हमें डांस देखना है. So we used to get together. He used to choreograph the songs. And we used to go Mukabla and Hammama us zamane
उस
ke
जमाने
song.
के।
Yeah. So we used to do all the Rangila, all those songs. Used to do. बस वहाँ से जर्नी शुरू हुई. One leads to the other, and
You remember your first break? I mean, of course
yeah,
you do.
of course. So same thing. When I was working for Clownzaras as a clown,
Yeah.
as a mascot, I would, say that. Kamlash, who was a choreographer and art teacher also. So उनको एक बार मौका मिला उनके फ्रेंड के थ्रू. रंगीला फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी, वो बहुत
Yes,
फेमस हुई थी. उसमें एक
yes.
कैरेक्टर थे, बेचारे वो गुजर गए. तो वाज प्लेइंग वन ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स. तो वो उनके दोस्त थे. तो उन्होंने कमलाश को कहा कि कमलाश, आई नीड यू फॉर अ फिल्म विच अहमद खान इज डूइंग द कोरियोग्राफी. वो फिल्म कभी आई नहीं. I remember it was Vikas Bhalla, the actor,
Yes.
and Ahmed Khan was a choreographer.
Choreographer.
Yeah, and then Rangila had become very famous. So वो उनके दोस्त थे वो. तो उन्होंने कहा कमलाश, we doing a film, and Kamlash being our
Boss.
guru,
Yeah.
boss, and as a friend also, well built, and good body and very good looking. And I was very skinny, long hairs, पतला दुबला
Yeah.
लड़का एक. वो उन्होंने कहा कि आप आ जाओ. तो उन्होंने कहा आई डोंट वांट टू डू फिल्म्स एंड ऑल दैट. आई विल सेंड वन ऑफ माय डांसर. सो ही आस्क्ड मी, फिरोज वुड यू लाइक टू गो? आई सेड हाँ, मैं चला जाऊंगा. So I just happened to go there. बोले you have to go and meet someone over there, and then they'll take you. They're looking for young boys to play a role, sidekick roles and all that in the film, and dancing का कुछ है. तो मैं चला गया देखने के लिए. So I went there and I saw this huge group of people dancing, and
Wow.
those were the dancers and those artists from Rangila song, Rangila Re, the very
Wow,
famous song. So I
yeah.
saw Remo, I saw many of
Us
them
time he
later.
was
Yeah,
also-
Remo,
yeah, he
Remo was
was
like, now, to Alhamdulillah, he's so big right
So
now.
big now.
And a great guy. And even the rest of the friends were there. We became friends later. So I went there, I saw this people dancing, and I was very happy. I was very excited because I've just seen them on screen. And it was the first time I'm actually seeing a shoot where, they're dancing and all that. And one of Ahmed Bhai's assistant, Puneet, he was later an actor on television.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
of course.
yeah.
We all know.
So he was there. So he saw me. And few days back, he happened to see me in a birthday party as a mascot and as a dancer. So he's witnessed me dancing. So I went up, told him that, I was sent by a friend Kamlash, and he's not able to come. So he sent me. So if you think I can be part of this,
Please tell me.
can I? So he looked at me. Well, I've seen you dancing 2 days back. We're the same boy dancing at the hotel, 5-star hotel. There was a party. I said, yeah, well, you dance so well. Why don't you one thing? Take my number. So that time वो लैंडलाइन होते थे हमारे पास. मोबाइल
Numbers तो उस time
पेजेस
पे-
भी नहीं आए थे, तो लैंडलाइन थी. तो उन्होंने मेरा नंबर लिया कि मैं आपको फ़ोन करूँगा, एंड रिहर्सल है दूसरे गाने की, तो मैं बुलाता हूँ आपको. इस गाने में तो नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज वी नीडेड गुड
Larger,
गॉड
yeah.
बिल्ड एंड बॉयज एंड ऑल. आई वाज वेरी
अच्छा,
स्किनी.
okay.
So I said, ठीक है. तो उन्होंने फिर मैंने कहा अभी कौन फ़ोन करेगा and all that. And I was very in awe seeing all these people dancing.
But did you have that case? I mean, I want to go into Bollywood. Did you have that?
No, but when I saw them first time, I got really excited. Kini, this is amazing.
something very
This is
exciting,
something,
yeah,
because I've already seen Rangila song on television that time. Sunday तो हम देखते थे टीवी ना. रोज देखने तो नहीं मिलता था. घर में टीवी भी नहीं होता था. हम पड़ोस के घर में जाते
घर
थे.
पे जाके
फिल्म देखते थे. 4 आना दे के 25 पैसा we used to pay that time to watch a film every Sunday. At
every
neighbor's
Sunday,
house.
yeah.
Then of course we also got a TV after some time, thanks to our parents, and then we started watching. Then what happened was when I waited for a few days, and I got a call. Same
Puneet.
Puneet, yeah. And my mummy gave me a message कि फिरोज there was a call for you, and who was it? So I said नहीं कुछ काम के लिए. बोले नहीं कुछ dancing. बोले नहीं वैसा कुछ. बोले अभी भी आप dancing करो. तो मैंने घर पे I was very scared to even say it.
I was gonna come to that.
Yeah,
I
so
mean,
बड़ा डर के माहौल मैंने क्रिएट किया हुआ था घर पे. उनको लग रहा है कि मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, but I used to like छुप के रिहर्सल्स करनी.
and you were in what
participate.
college this time? You were pursuing your education.
हाँ, मतलब मैंने अभी प्राइवेट एसएससी की, and I
Ah.
was like I was two minds. I was just dancing में, just focusing all the time and not studying too well. And उनको
Because
लगा-
that time parents had a different agenda altogether. वहाँ उस time तो सिर्फ 3 profession नहीं होते
now
थे.
the parents are very open
Very
minded. But उस time
progressive.
भी they were not wrong, because उस
Yeah,
time तो
yeah.
माहौल वैसा था. and they
Exposure
all-
नहीं था.
all-
A lot of stuff.
Every parent wanted their kid to be an engineer or a doctor or
That's what it is,
some,
yeah.
some level.
profession.
But dancing used to be like, set back that time. कि यार dancing क्या
We used to
कर
be
रहे हैं?
curse. I'll be
We
very
used to
honest.
be called bhand and all, literally. And plus, I come from a Muslim background, a Muslim family, and very restricted and all. But तो मैं छुप छुप के करता था एंड देन ऑब्वियसली वन डे
Actually, Muslim में तो actually haram. Any art form is.
नो टू बी ऑनेस्ट सी मुझे जो एजुकेशन घर में मिली ऑब्वियसली हमने कुरान शरीफ पढ़ा हुआ है एंड लाइक यू नो नमाज रोजे एंड ऑल दैट व्हिच आई स्टिल you know follow
Follow.
not fully to be honest I won't just say it because I'm in front of the camera but yeah I am religious in terms of I'm
Your
very
beliefs.
connected I
Your
believe in
yeah.
everything I fast for 30 days I do Ramzan properly namaz jab kabhi you know feeling that
Feeling
time, I
aati
just
hai.
stand and karke but I'm not like 5 times all the time but yeah it's wrong I should be doing it शुरू में बहुत किया बाद में जब life busy हो गई तो then I just you know when I get back during Ramzan I become proper 5 times
Yeah, of course.
you
of
know
course.
and I pray and I really get connected to him all the time and even I'm always connected to one force which is guiding
Almighty.
all of us and then parents brought us very well
That we can see.
सो यू नो वो कभी छोड़ा नहीं वही कहा था जब इंडस्ट्री में आए तो ये सब कुछ शुरू में नहीं पता था घर पे जब वो मैं गया वहाँ पे रिहर्सल्स पे तो 2-3 महीने तो ऐसे बैठे बैठे निकले बट साइड बाय साइड में आई वाज गेटिंग ऑफर्स टू डू बिग बिग पार्टीज एंड शोज एज लाइक यू नो
Oh,
मैस्कॉट
of course, when
डांसर तो वो साथ साथ में चल ही रहा था I was very, I was not sure what I was doing, and I said I will just go with the flow. And I was just going with the flow, to be honest. And then one day I got a call. I went for rehearsals. 1-2 महीने हमने निकाले वहाँ पे अच्छे से.
But उस टाइम ये नहीं होता था कि वो कहते हैं ना कहावत कि गुल्लक में कैसे गले में पैसा कैसे आएगा तो योर पेरेंट्स नेवर टोल्ड यू कि मतलब यू डूइंग दिस यू डूइंग दैट बट वेयर वुड यू नो अर्न योर ब्रेड एंड बटर
So अम्मी नानी और खाला जान थी साथ में वालिद was in Saudi from the age of 1 when I was born because he had gone to make our life better.
ऑफ कोर्स
So उस टाइम पे क्या होता था कि बिकॉज हम स्लम्स में रहते थे एंड वहाँ की जो कम्युनिटी होती थी सारी औरतें मिलके अपने हस्बैंड्स के लिए ना बिस्सी वो चिट डालते
Yeah.
लाइक दिस टू कलेक्ट मनी एंड सेव मनी एंड सेंड देयर husband abroad some gulf was very big that
Very
time,
big.
you know,
अभी
Dubai,
भी है, हाँ.
Saudi Arabia especially so that's how my father went there to make a life better but I had some other plans in my life and she made sure that you know I study and everything but at one point I just turned my back towards this and हाँ ये है कि आज I feel कि I could become something and I've become something a little bit for
Yeah.
them so I
Do you have
would
any
say
regrets
regrets in the sense not really I don't have any
when it comes to choosing your career
Yeah.
basically that is
so
all.
I did what I had to do what they wanted I never did that which I feel that is a regret yes sorry that is a regret I will say कि जब parents जो चाहते थे वो नहीं
वो
कर
क्या
पाया
चाहते थे वैसे
obviously every parents say इसका इंजीनियर बनो डॉक्टर
हाँ.
बनो वही था कुछ ना उसमें से एक था
या
वो भी
गवर्नमेंट
मैं
जॉब
सुने
करियो
हाँ जो भी कि आप मतलब एजुकेशन करो अच्छी विल प्रोवाइड यू द बेस्ट एंड बिकम समथिंग बिग उस टाइम इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं था तो लोगों को पता नहीं था क्या आज आर्ट इट हैज बिकम आर्ट नाउ डांसिंग हैज बिकम एन आर्ट नाउ ना
Yeah,
उस टाइम
it
पे तो
is.
नहीं उस टाइम भी आर्ट था
उस टाइम वो
but
डांसर
it was used to take it in a different way. So I was like, okay, fine. What we need to do is we need to understand कि parents क्या कह रहे हैं. But उस टाइम भी एक होता है ना कि as a rebel कि नहीं नहीं मुझे
You had
तो
that
यही करना है.
rebellious nature,
I had
yeah.
that rebellious nature as a eldest son in the family कि नहीं मुझे तो यही करना है. But डरता भी at the same time बहुत डरता था because अम्मी से बहुत डर लगता था. And और हर मैं actually थोड़ा है मेरे में वो I used to get scared from my very beginning. जब you know जब पैदा हुए तो अम्मी का डर
हाँ
जब स्कूल में गए टीचर का
टीचर का
डर
डर
फिर बाद में जब प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में आए तो उस टीचर का डर तो बट वो तो जिंदगी में यू नो डर बहुत जरूरी है होना भी चाहिए
And your father
Yeah.
had his share of involvement in your life
Yeah.
all the way from Saudi?
उनको पता चलता था कि मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ अम्मी ने काफी साल छुपाया जब वो बीच बीच में आते थे तो उन्हें थोड़ा बहुत वो हुआ तो वो ये कहते थे कि आप नमाज रोजे करो एंड यू नो जस्ट बी अ गुड पर्सन डोंट गेट इनटू एनी बैड हैबिट्स और एनीथिंग सो जब मैंने so cut story short when I even entered the industry also I started as a background dancer as everyone knows from all the
Yeah.
films of Farama and like you know I started to be the films I started with Farama उसके पहले मैंने 6 महीना I started with अहमद भाई अहमद खान
Of
कोरियोग्राफर
course.
जो वेलकम जंगल
course,
अभी जो
welcome,
जो
हाँ.
डायरेक्टर हैं तो I started my first film was with him Shastra with Sunil Shetty sir
Oh,
yeah you were not even
I
born
was.
that time
I wouldn't have been there.
Exactly. So that was the first time I performed in a background film song and I danced, which was shot in Lonavala,
Oh,
close to
beautiful.
Mumbai, a hill station. And I was praised by Ahmed Bhai and I was very happy. And then I used to end up reaching in rehearsals late because I used to change 2 buses and go to the studio in June.
Oh,
और हम रहते थे थोड़ा दूर पे, you know, I used to be in the east and the studio used to be in the west. तो
West.
मुझे वो दो और घर से झूठ बोल के निकलना और वहाँ पे पहुँचना, वो टाइमिंग मैच नहीं हो पाता था। तो मैं बहुत लेट जाता था, तो मैं बहुत डरता था। तो मैंने एक फिल्म की, फिर मैं लेट जाने लगा तो मुझे खुद से डर लगने लगा, तो मैंने फिर छोड़ दी। By the time I had made few contacts, so music videos का ज़माना था, तो I started dancing more music videos as a
उसे बहुत
background.
अच्छा हाँ म्यूजिक वीडियोस उस टाइम
Music videos I've danced a lot, from दिल ले गई कुड़ी गुजरात की, दले
Yeah.
मेहंदी sir's song हो गई तू बल्ले बल्ले.
बल्ले.
You see me in most of the music videos
Oh,
those
wow.
days, मेरे नसीब में, and all which I've choreographed also so many music videos, and you know, being
You
part of the
personally,
video.
yeah, of
Because
course.
character जैसा face था, long hair, French beard, and you know ऐसा सा पहनावा, so DJ बना देते थे. I used to rap, I used to mimicry, you know, do miming, rapping.
कुछ
and
कुछ
all that.
होता है. You were the, I mean, how can we
That
not?
was my very first break. Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, where you know one of the songs I'm playing the drums, one song I'm dancing. So I'm dancing in all the songs, playing the drums, and then there was a very famous dialogue, you know, in that scene where
Once,
Anupam
I
Kher-
know. Please, please, please. For
So there was a scene where Anupam Kher sir is the principal of the college, and I happened to pass by him, and he says, "Good morning, Feroz." I said, "Good morning, sir." And he looks at me and says, "Feroz, cut your hair." And I say, "Jealous, huh?" That became very famous.
Famous.
And then after that, you know, every producer or director I've been working on a film song, they said, Feroz is very good with DJing roles, so let him, you know, play a DJ. And I never want to be an actor. So us time pe na, I used to do modeling also. I used to do modeling for international
You
magazines.
were basically doing everything. Like
I was a
you were-
DJ also. If I had to say
that
this,
I, of course, no.
I told you. That night ko main DJing सीख रहा था. I was playing DJing, you know, I was doing DJing job also.
And you were doing DJing when DJing was not even a career.
yeah, so
आज के
just
time में.
imagine Arjun Rampal, when they were
Yeah.
like big time models, they were just got into this field. They were like, you know, I was that kind of league कि चलो वो भी DJing कर रहे थे, मैं भी सीख रहा था. So I did that, but I was very confused कि dancing करूँ, modeling करूँ,
करूँ,
DJing
acting
करूँ,
करूँ.
what was there? और घर पे कुछ पता नहीं है. Then I chose dancing because that I felt कि यार
Is your kick.
because बचपन से ही you know dancing का बड़ा शौक रहा है. और modeling ये था कि इंटरनेशनल मैगजीन्स की फोटो शूट होती तो कैमरे सामने खड़े रहो, पोज हो, शो एटीट्यूड एंड एवरीथिंग. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था पसीना नहीं निकल रहा, तो मजा नहीं आ रहा है. यू नो दैट वाज माय किक कि नहीं, आई वांट टू जंप, आई वांट टू लाइक यू नो फील हाई अबाउट इट. कपड़े पहना, महंगे से महंगे कपड़े पहन के मॉडलिंग कर ली. आई शॉट फॉर डॉल्चे एंड गब्बाना. आई वाज द फर्स्ट मॉडल टू शॉट टाइटन फास्ट ट्रैक एड्स. You know, I was the first model to be selected amongst 120 people during that time with the top female model. And then Dolce & Gabbana, Mufti, Shoppers Stop. I have done all, you know, most of the brands in the beginning. And then ये था कि dancing बहुत पसंद
कहते
था
हैं ना,
तो.
भगवान का जब हाथ पड़ता है
Yeah.
तो
So then slowly, I've shot for calendars also, you know, because very arty
calendar
form.
shoots used to be so
big.
famous. Yeah, they used
So a
to
lot
be
of
so big.
photographers, you have some, you know, very different face. We want to shoot. I said, yeah. So we used to shoot. I used to have fun. I enjoyed all my things what I've done in my life. But ये था dancing में उछल कूद, ये वो लोग साथ में बड़ा मजा आता था. तो I switched to that, you know, slowly. But I never planned कि अभी मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा. जब अम्मी को पता चला कुछ सालों बाद, जब किसी ने, पहले तो उनको पता चला स्कूल के दिनों में जब मैं वो प्रोसेशन में डांस करता था, मेलों में, संदल में, कि आपका बेटा बड़ा बढ़िया डांस करता है. बोले मेरा बच्चा, मैंने कभी देखा नहीं डांस करते हो. हाँ, घर के आसपास में डांस करे ठीक है, ये भी रोड पे भी डांस करने लगा, स्ट्रीट डांसर जैसा, यू नो. तो एक दिन छुप के मेरी अम्मी ने मुझे देखा, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली शी केम एंड सेड, बेटा ठीक है कर रहे हो, बट पढ़ाई बहुत जरूरी है. But when then school में तो obviously I had to
No one,
participate,
yeah.
so there was not saying no about it. But ये था साथ साथ में एजुकेशन भी ये थी क्या, पढ़ो और अपने चीज़ों को ना भूलो, नमाज भी पढ़ो, कुरान शरीफ भी पढ़ो. तो उन्होंने सब कुछ
Do
करवाया,
everything.
and we did everything. So when she got to know that, you know, I'm doing this, when she got to know one day through newspapers that, you know, my name has come in the
Feroz,
paper and Feroz is doing film songs and all. She's like, what? So बोले ठीक है, I think you need to do this only, I guess. So अभी you not going to listen to me. So उन्होंने एक ही कहा था कि अगर आप
That
industry में आ रहे हो-
conversation was easy at home.
she made it very easy for me because मेरे से थक चुकी थी वो. But यही था कि मैं what will I tell your father, you know. तो ऐसे अम्मी प्लीज आप समझा दो. उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया. तो she said that ठीक है बेटा, अगर आपको इसी में कुछ करना है, so make sure that, you know, you're not going to spoil your family's name or anyone's name.
I want to ask you something,
Yeah.
Feroz, sir.
Yeah.
Were you ever, you know, in were you ever affected by peer pressure as well, like that time? Because of course वो होता है ना, क्योंकि और कोई source of entertainment नहीं है, सिर्फ दोस्त यार ही होते हैं, अच्छा तू
हाँ
ये कर रहा है, तू ये कर रहा है,
हाँ
तो वो कर, were you ever affected by peer pressure that time?
Not really, because everyone was enjoying, like even the surrounding of my friends. I was the only one who was into this.
Yeah.
तो जब मैं दूसरे दोस्तों के साथ पे जाके ये सब करता था तो वो अलग एक मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल
अलग
होता था,
अच्छा
और जो मस्ती वाला था वो अलग फ्रेंड सर्कल होता था।
अच्छा
उनको भी नहीं पता होता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा
और जब अम्मी ने जब साथ दे दिया, जब उन्होंने कहा कि बेटा कोई गलत चीज़ नहीं करना, कोई चीज़ों वो नहीं करना, इसलिए टुडे आई हैव नेवर टच अल्कोहल इन माय लाइफ,
yeah
you know.
um,
And today I'm 51. I just want to say that, you know, maybe because of all that, I still feel that, you know, one thing, अगर मैंने एक बात मानी है वो मेरे पेरेंट्स की है कि मेरी अम्मी खास करके, क्या मैं ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं करूँगा, रोज़े नहीं छोड़ूंगा, तो आज भी I keep all my 30 rozas. I become 5 time namazi during
totally,
Ramzan,
yeah.
and then whenever I want to pray, I really pray, and then I become, you know, but that's what I've not left till date. I still, you know, follow that, and I've not touched alcohol
And
till
this
date.
is, I think this is the biggest blessing. I mean,
Huh,
and that's why
because
you look young as well.
I
mean,
promised that to my mummy, and it's all because of dancing was because I always happy and always positive about things. So one leads to the other, and it just happened. And then uske baad mein I joined Farama.
yeah, I was coming to that. Let's talk about Farah Khan. I mean, actually, she was the turning point in your life.
Huh.
So, I mean, take me through that entire journey. Like, how did that change your life?
So after Ahmed Bhai 6 months, मैं फिर घर पे रहता था, and like, you know, between that I used to go and play music in the night, and you know
Mm.
all that I used to do. Then one day we got a call for an audition,
Hmm.
and there were some 100 dancers audition was going on, and I was you know किसी ने आके I was doing some rehearsals. Meanwhile, you know, I got you know, close to a couple of corporate people, choreographers who used to do corporate shows and all that. तो मैं उनका कोई एक शो का रिहर्सल कर रहा था, and then one friend became friend later.
Yeah,
So he came and said there's an audition for Farah Khan, 1996 Miss World
fantastic.
in Bangalore, and she's looking for 100 dancers, 50 boys, 50 girls.
Hmm.
So उसको audition देना है. So I went to do the audition, and I was selected. And that's how it started. So I did my first show in September 1996. I still remember, I can never remember, I can never
How-
forget those
yeah.
days, you know. 1996. इसलिए मैं बोला अभी 2026 30 साल सितंबर में कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे इंडस्ट्री में आके. And then I auditioned, I was selected. And then उसके बाद में उन्होंने देखा कि जो बेस्ट उसमें से 50 में थे, तो she was the queen since the beginning, doing so many songs and all that. So she said, yeah, I need few dancers from this group, because मेरे लंबे बाल होते थे, French beard होती थी, you know, skinny boy with
Skinny
6
boy,
packs
yeah.
that time and all that. तो बोले इनको सबको ले लो. That's how I started there. And within 2 years I became her assistant. You know, I've danced in all her films, from कुछ कुछ होता है, K3G, Kal Ho Na Ho,
yeah.
all the songs. You know,
No, but that is big as well.
yeah.
And I mean, how did that first interaction with Farah Khan even happen? And Farah Khan,
Okay.
like, I mean,
That's a really funny this thing to it. So
Incident,
the
yeah.
first day when we reached for the audition, so everyone says ke Farah Khan, Farah Khan. So I used to feel, I never knew the name Farah Khan as a choreographer. I knew the name Farah Khan as an actress. There was an actress called Farah Khan, Tabu,
Acha,
Tabu
okay.
ma'am's sister.
Yeah, okay.
very
okay,
famous
Yeah.
those days. So I said, wo aa rahi hongi.
You worked with Tabu ma'am also.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So I happened, then she entered, and then she entered the room because she was always, you know, quick and responsive and very, okay guys,
She's very
everyone,
hardworking,
yeah,
no?
very hardworking,
She's very
and a
hardworking.
very good, amazing teacher, her beautiful nature and everything. But when she's at work, she's so professional, thorough professional. Whatever I'm here today in front of you, all because of her and all thanks to her. She's a family now.
Yeah.
I call her Ma. And
God
then-
bless her all the
yeah,
time.
exactly. And then such a beautiful soul. She happened, and जो चिल्ला के जैसी वो आई, because she has to conduct so many people, less time, prepare for a Miss World, you know, such a big thing. And we were hosting Miss World that time, 96, controversy भी हो रही थी, all that. So she was under a lot of pressure, and she came, and I got really scared. I said, Farah Khan कब आएंगी? तो बोले यही Farah Khan है, she's the choreographer. So what? बोले हाँ यही तो टीचर है. तो मैं एकदम डर गया, because the way, you know, तो मैं बहुत डर के मैंने किया. तब मुझे पता चला कि there's a choreographer called Farah Khan,
Farah Khan as well.
you know, and then not just the actress, she's someone else. This is how it started with her.
Oh,
And then got into a troupe, and then वो best 10 फिर best 5 होता था ना, तो बेस्ट 10 से बेस्ट 5 हुए, फिर
best
बेस्ट 4
five.
हुए कि अभी ये 4 लोग shows करेंगे. तो she used to do shows also. We have done shows for, we have done tours, America, Bollywood Awards, where I got to meet the most amazing and the
Amazing.
most, you won't believe, I even met MJ, Michael Jackson.
You've met Michael
I
Jackson.
was at the show, performing, and I saw him. I was in the first row dancing, and he happened to enter and sat right in front of us. And the energy level went next level. We happened to see him. I met Jackie Chan sir
वो
for
तो-
IFA Awards,
of
and then he
course.
got to India where Ma was doing the choreography for a film, Kung Fu Yoga.
Yes.
And she said, I want you to go and train him. So I went personally to train him in Jaipur. I had spent some amazing time with Jackie Chan sir.
No, but I
So-
mean, you wait. I still can't get over the fact that you met Michael Jackson. But yeah, but throughout this entire journey, and of course, then DID came along.
Yeah.
We will talk about that as well.
Yeah.
But what is the most memorable incident with Farah Khan?
All my background announcing days, because we used to
Yeah.
have the most of the fun. Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was the
हाँ,
best
कुछ-कुछ
because
होता है.
that was the first film. I think I went abroad, Mauritius. So in the beginning, all the college outdoor scene you see is Mauritius,
अच्छा.
and all the indoor scene is shot in Mumbai Mehboob Studio. This is
Wow.
how. So if you see in the film, the bus which goes on the picnic, it says going to Goa. You know that Goa picnic trip, but it was actually shot in Mauritius.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so we were in Mauritius, staying in such a beautiful motel right in front of the beach, having an amazing time, and so many boys and girls as friends. We've gone there. We had the most amazing time there, going there for like 15 days, 20 days, shooting 2-3 songs and scenes and all. It was amazing. I think that was the most memorable time. Even I had a thing, I was preparing for Chaya Chaya.
Yeah.
Because by that time I had made little contacts in the industry, so doing corporate shows, doing music videos, started doing industry thing. And then we were preparing for Chaya Chaya, so I rehearsed for Chaya Chaya.
Which is one of the
Everything.
most iconic songs.
Yes,
Like, I mean,
sat in the bus to leave because that time there was no flights for people, right? Because buses, we used to enjoy those days. आज तो सबको flight चाहिए, किसी को बस में गोवा तक भी नहीं जाना है,
नहीं जाना.
है ना? सबको भी flight में गोवा जाना है,
Convenient.
which is a 40 minutes flight from Mumbai. But we used to enjoy going Goa that time, 12,
Mumbai,
15 hours
Goa,
to Mumbai to Goa. आज assistants, dancers, सबको flights
में.
because time has changed. हम उस टाइम हमारे को इतना ही मिलता था, हम उसमें भी खुश होते थे. We used to feel because those were the times, simple days, simple times. फिर हम गए वहाँ पे शूट किया. I had great fun. Then बॉम्बे में आके फिर शूट किया हमने.
And shooting with Shah Rukh Khan.
The most amazing person to work with.
Yeah.
I think I've worked the most with him.
I've had a brief interaction with him and someone that I used to work with, who used to work very closely. So I know, like, whatever said about him is all true. He's one of the most humble humans anyone can come across.
I think we'll have a lot of episodes just talking about him, because there's not even a moment where because he's played a very important role in my life from the
Have you
beginning.
ever been mistreated by any actor? वो कहता है अच्छा choreographer तो है.
Arman, I'll be very honest, because I've worked with the best, for example, Farah Khan,
Yeah.
So under her guidance, all the actors have seen me in the background dancing. They've seen me, like Shah Rukh bhai. Shah Rukh sir, I've worked as a background dancer. Yes Boss, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kal Ho Na Ho, most of the films, K3G.
K3G.
So he's seen me everywhere. Mohabbatein.
Mohabbatein
Also we did, because all the songs which Farah was
Farah-
doing, part of
Farah
all
did.
the songs. Even when she made Mehuna as a director, Geeta Ma
Geeta
was
Ma
so
was there,
famous.
of course.
We both branched out as an assistant choreographers and became individual choreographers. But we worked on Mehuna, we worked on Om Shanti Om,
Oh.
worked on a lot of, till date, whatever she's doing, been part of all the projects as a mentor, because we became like a family.
Yeah.
Learned so much from her. So kabhi hua nahi. Even when I was Happy New Year, and during the Happy New Year, I had signed for DID season 4 as a judge, as a mentor. And they were like, I have memories about those also. They all they've been interviewed, all the actors from Shah Rukh
Yeah.
Bhai. to Abhishek Bachchan, to Boman Irani sir, to Farama, to Deepika Padukone. They all spoke about me in Dubai, about me coming on the show and how I am and all that. That was the most memorable thing for me.
But Firoz, so all these stories do sound very fancy and very easygoing, and you're making it sound so simple that you got through and you got the biggest breaks, you got to meet the biggest people. But I'm pretty sure there are a lot of hardships. I mean, behind. Of course, it's a struggle, and especially in those times where you don't know anyone, you're coming from the streets of Mumbai. Contacts आपके बहुत बाद में बने. So, like, what were the learnings as you gradually, and were you stabbed in the back a lot of times?
I would say that struggle कभी नहीं किया मैंने क्योंकि मुझे नाम ही नहीं देना उस struggle का because it was always been a beautiful journey. I called it a journey instead of struggle because जब तक आप उस चीज़ से गुजरोगे नहीं आपको पता नहीं चलता.
सही बात है.
I think I had the best journey in every form. From the beginning till here, it's just been a journey. There's never been a struggle. Struggle तो families, parents ने की है, उनको बोलेंगे struggle because वो जो चाहते हैं हमने नहीं किया. फिर उन्होंने इतना मेहनत से कमाया और हमारी एजुकेशन की ये सब की तो स्ट्रगल उनका होता है हमारा नहीं हो. हमने तो सिर्फ हमारी मर्जी की है ना.
Were there any hard times at home? Financially or emotionally?
I've seen it, but they never हमारे तक नहीं आया.
Yeah, I want you to talk
हाँ.
about it because all the students who want to pursue dance, they must know.
हार्डशिप हमने अपनी फैमिली की देखी, अम्मी की देखी, खालाजान की देखी है कि जब वो कुएं से पानी निकाल के लाती थी या हमारी गंदगी साफ करके हमें दूर जाना पड़ता था वॉशरूम के लिए तो वो हमारी गंदगी बाहर से करके
Those
बाहर
times as well.
साफ करके वो सारी देखी है. उन्होंने हमें कभी वो करने नहीं दिया. सो स्ट्रगल उन्होंने ही किया है. वो पानी गंदा पानी वेल से लाते लाते जब बारिश होती थी तो सबके झोपड़े या झुग्गी से साथ में हो
पानी
जाते.
drip होता था.
गंदा पानी ना गिरे तो उसको अच्छे से कवर करते थे ताकि हम साफ पानी पी पाए. फिर उसको घर पे लाके बॉईल करना. तो मेमोरी अभी भी फ्रेश है दिमाग में बिकॉज हमने सब देखा बट हमारे पे कभी उन्होंने वो लाने नहीं दिया कि आप स्ट्रगल करो. तो स्ट्रगल उन्होंने किया, स्ट्रगल हमने नहीं.
And when you bought your first house, I'm pretty sure that
I didn't buy my first house. My ammi bought our first house, and from there she made. वाले चले गए थे तो within few years she जोड़ो some money and इकट्ठा करके उसको एक का दो करके one room kitchen लिया. When I was in grade 4th, I was just switching to grade 5.
Okay.
उस time पे तो एक one room kitchen in a building flat on the 4th floor we got it. Same place, Mahim, one area.
In
Paradise के.
What was it, a chore? That's what they call it.
No. We were in a building. मतलब उन्होंने झुग्गी से चौल में जाने के मौके नहीं दिया. झुग्गी से सीधा फ्लैट में ले गई, बिल्डिंग में ले गई. मतलब ऊंचाई पे ले गई. जहाँ हम यहाँ थे, within my education till the 4th, 5th grade, she made us reach top.
That height.
तो उन्होंने बचपन में दिखा दिया था.
And that is a beauty of Indian mothers that they
Yes.
gotta save.
Yes.
So, they are
Yeah.
richer than our
हम
fathers.
we cannot reach to that
Match,
level.
yeah.
Never कभी होगा भी नहीं, तो होना भी नहीं चाहिए. Because वही example होनी चाहिए. हम किसी के लिए example नहीं set करना चाहिए. वही जो हमारे parents हैं ना, they should set example, for everyone.
with everyone.
Yeah.
Anyway, talking about good stuff.
Yeah.
Talking about working with Shah Rukh Khan, Ahmed Khan, God knows who. I can just keep on taking. Farah ma'am के साथ तो इतने लोगों ने काम भी किया है. So, any funny incident that you can tell us about?
नहीं बहुत सारे फनी से मतलब रोज कुछ ना कुछ ज़्यादा. मैं मस्तीखोर बहुत होता था तो मैं मस्ती बहुत करता था. एंड आई रिमेंबर बहुत फनी सा इंसिडेंट्स है जब हम वो फिल्म कर रहे थे मोहब्बतें. तो उसमें एक सॉन्ग है दुनिया में कितनी है नफरतें. तो उसमें एक सीन है जहाँ पे शाहरुख सर प्लेइंग द ढोल and then everyone's dancing and suddenly they see Amit sir, the legendary.
Of course.
Yeah, he's entering the frame and all that. So I was assisting and I was dancing in that song. And Farama said कि फिर उस position दे दो and you have to show Amit sir
Amitabh Bachchan.
how to walk in through the crowd. Just give the position for the camera and just show him. She was showing the shot. तो मुझे नहीं पता था अमित सर आके मॉनिटर पे बैठ के देखने के लिए कैमरा.
And he also has a lot of fun, no? Like I've heard.
He is the most amazing person.
He's very naughty, he's very snarky.
very nice.
Yeah.
He's like a father figure for everyone, but he's amazing. Even his son Abhishek. तो हम वो शॉट कर रहे थे. मैं एक्चुअली सब दोस्तों के साथ में ब्रेक होता था, चाय पी रहे थे हम. तो पेपर ग्लास में चाय थी तो माँ ने कहा फिर जल्दी आओ शॉट दिखाओ, कैमरा रेडी है. मतलब ठीक है माँ. तो मैं टाइम नहीं मिला, वो पेपर ग्लास खत्म हो गया तो फेंकने का मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला. तो मैंने सब पीछे हाथ रख लिया था. And then I walked, my hands folding behind, like, and I'm walking, the camera moves, and I'm walking with it, to the crowd moves, and all that happens. और उनकी गाड़ी है जो फिल्म के, तो उनकी एक्चुअल गाड़ी है, मर्सिडीज खड़ी वाइट कलर की.
हाँ.
तो वो मर्सिडीज के सामने आके वो खड़े हो, मतलब वो अभी गाड़ी से उतरे हैं तो वो सामने आके खड़े हुए मर्सिडीज के. तो मैं वहीं पे खड़े रह के ना, वो एक्चुअली वो नहीं वॉक करके आ रहे, क्राउड जस्ट पार्टिंग एंड ही जस्ट स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर. और वो कैमरा पीछे जाके देन इज कमिंग फॉरवर्ड, तो वो हो गया वो शॉट, माने वाला ओके कट. और मैंने क्या किया, मस्तीखोर, मस्ती मजाक चलती रहती थी. मैंने वो ग्लास ऐसा हाथ में लिया और कैमरा सामने ही था, जिमी जिप पे कैमरा था, तो मैं सामने हाथ में रख के उनकी एक्टिंग कर दी मैंने. हे साला क्या बोलता है, विच वाज रॉन्ग ऑन माय पार्ट दैट टाइम, आई डिड दैट. एंड उधर से माँ ने जोर से चिल्लाया फिर ओस करके माइक पे, और मैंने ऐसा करके देखा तो वहाँ पे शाहरुख सर, अनुपम खेर सर, अर्चना मैम, मतलब जो भी एक्टर्स जितने भी गाने में थे सारे बैठे हुए थे. And Amit ji was watching. And Amit ji sitting on a chair in front of the monitor like this.
Yeah.
And when she told me, Firoz, what the hell are you doing?
Yeah.
वो मुझे नहीं पता कैमरा ऑन है, वहाँ पे देख रहे हैं सब लोग. और उन्होंने अपनी कुर्सी से पीछे करके ना मेरी तरफ देखा ऐसा करके, और मैं पसीनो पसीन हो गया. एंड शाहरुख सर की तरफ मैं देखा, शाहरुख सर ने बोले
तू तो गया.
मतलब he did that to me कि you're gone now. And I was so scared. Sir उठे वहाँ से, अमन जी. He start walking in front of me. Absolute pin drop silence on set. और मेरी तरफ चल के आने 200-300 लोग, crowd, dancers, everyone, the whole unit was there. मतलब 400-500 यूनिट था, बट जो कैरेक्टर आर्टिस्ट और ये सारे थे 200 लोग थे, 200-250. उसके अलावा यूनिट पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस. हम फिल्म सिटी में शूट कर रहे थे, रात का वक्त था, सन्नाटा, और वो वॉक करके आ रहे हैं. वो जो वॉक था ना, मैंने सब उसमें डिसाइड कर लिया कि अब मैं इंडस्ट्री छोड़ रहा हूँ. आई एम लीविंग, आई एम नॉट गोना बी मोर एनी मोर हियर. मतलब वो मेरी मस्ती थी, सब कुछ सारा कलर पढ़ने शुरू कर दिया.
खत्म.
And he came in front of them and I was just standing like this and just getting scared, and मेरा ऐसा था. And उनकी पीछे गाड़ी थी. He just came and looked at me like this, and that aura, मतलब आज भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो मेरे goosebumps आ रहे हैं. उन्होंने ऐसे मेरे तरफ देखा और उन्होंने कहा, ऐसा किया उन्होंने मुझे, मतलब सर I'm sorry, and he just fell on without pushing me, nothing. Just imagine such a great big
doll.
he would have just easily pushed me or slapped me. No, he folded his hand behind and he just came on to me, and he came on to me, और मैं बोल रहा था, sir, I'm sorry. And he's like चिल्ला रहे हैं करके. He was just taking masti with me, just taking masti with me. He got up, he gave me his hand, he pulled me. Well, sir, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to do this. I'm really sorry. मैंने बहुत, फिर उन्होंने देखा, I'll do it now. And then that was it. And then उसके बाद में फिर हम केतरी जी कर रहे थे.
Oh my
So
God.
again, same thing happened, and I was doing his positioning with all the actors and all that. I was in the center, and I was doing and then Mane bola, Amit ji, that's how you gonna happen. The whole family is standing and dancing, holding shoulders each other. And then he said, "Oh, karke dikhao jo karke dikhaya tha." I said, "Nice. I'm really sorry. I can't do that. Well, my mistake. I should have not done it. I'm really sorry." But yeah, later on I got to work few more projects with him as an independent. I did 102 Not Out, a film
Oh, yes.
where he's playing the
The two
father
brothers, yes,
of
yeah.
Rishi Kapoor
Rishi
sir
Kapoor
also.
sir.
So I got to work with them to design songs and choreograph.
That was
and-
such a beautiful movie.
yeah, so I was part of 2 songs on that.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. But
got
I
to
mean,
work.
this is the backstories which no one knows about Bollywood. That it's very candid as well.
Yeah.
Like there's a facade about what the industry is
Yeah.
and how it works, but then this is the actual reality of it. But talking about reality as well, like so I've heard and so I've seen with my own eyes, at least in the music industry, because I was part of it. There's a lot of politics. There's a lot of I'm not going to use the word nepotism because it's too abused now.
I don't believe in
Yeah, I
nepotism.
also don't
believe.
You, anyway, I'll come to that later.
The example is right in
Yeah,
front of you.
and I'm saying even if it exists,
Yeah.
so any father, any person in the family will endorse. Like that's the whole point.
Exactly.
Like why would he not push your?
Yeah,
his
I've
daughter?
seen Siddharth Malhotra,
Yeah,
Varun Dhawan and all.
Varun Dhawan,
They're
yeah.
like ADs working on the set.
yeah.
When
Varun
I was
Dhawan an AD,
assisting,
yeah.
there were ADs on set working for Karan sir for Dharma production, and they were running and they never through any weight कि मैं उनका बेटा हूँ या मैं ये ऐसा हूँ. My name is Khan. Siddharth Malhotra was an AD on set and everything. They're very disciplined. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मतलब मुझे देखो ना यार. Like I have मुझे कभी ऐसा प्रेशर नहीं आया किसी की तरफ से, या कोई बड़े लोगों के साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ तो उन्होंने मुझे वो कर दिया कि नहीं यार फिरोज, यू कैन नॉट वर्क विद अस बिकॉज यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच एंड ऑल दैट. दे वर ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्टेड एंड एवरीथिंग. It never happened.
But yeah, but I mean, talking about politics as well, I want
Huh.
to come to that.
See,
I'm pretty
politics.
sure that you must have faced it. Like projects getting snatched from you, people not giving you that kind of respect. I mean, a lot of sub just because there's a better name or something of that sort.
मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, ये अभी जो आपने जो जितना भी कहा ना, वो मैं फील है ना कोविड के बाद से देख रहा हूँ. उसके पहले मुझे कभी आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर एनी एपिसोड विच हैपेंड कि पॉलिटिक्स हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. बिकॉज मैंने कभी उसका अगर आई बिलीव इन वन थिंग, अगर वो आपके नसीब में है ना, उसको कोई नहीं छीन सकता. वो घूम फिर के आपके पास आना मेरे साथ हुआ है. लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स हैव बीन कॉल्ड. बिगेस्ट वन, I used to get a call, Firoz, you're on for it, everything, I prepared everything. And after half an hour, it's cancelled. And मुझे पता वो किसी और के पास चला गया है. And I believe that कि शायद वो मेरे नसीब में नहीं था. It was not meant for me. और कुछ दिनों तो घूम के मेरे पास ही आया है. और वो एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, कई बार मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है. Because I'm a true believer of that. So इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ अगर कोई पॉलिटिक्स कर भी रहा है ना, so that means he's doing it for himself, not for me, because he's had to show face over there to him, to the Almighty. For me, it's like sabr, which I believe in.
Yeah.
You have to have patience, which बचपन से हमें सिखाया गया है कि बेटा कोई भी चीज़ में सब्र रखना, किसी चीज़ में घाई नहीं करना. और मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही सब्र वाला हूँ कि बिकॉज मैं जैसा कहा शुरू में, I'm a very slow runner, so slow walker. I will walk very slow. I will run very slow.
And you were content. You were
Always
content with-
content. I'm
yeah.
still content. ये कि अभी और भी कुछ बाकी है करना, काफ़ी कुछ करना बाकी है, काफ़ी कुछ सीखना बाकी है. सो पॉलिटिक्स अभी मैं कोविड के बाद से बहुत देख रहा हूँ, बिकॉज वो सीधा फेस पे हो रहा है. बिकॉज कोविड
But
में
what
क्या
changed?
change in this, a lot of new people have come in. I will not blame my people.
Yeah,
I
no
worked in the
names,
past.
yeah,
Yeah.
no
So the new
names.
people who have come in the game, who have not been educated properly. When I say education, like my journey being from a street dancer to a school going, learning folk, like for that one particular moment to participate in a school program, then going to entertainment industry where I'm dancing as a clown. So understanding कि यार एंटरटेनमेंट भी कोई एक चीज़ है कि आपको ज़रूरी नहीं कि नाचना है, आप मस्ती मजाक करके भी लोगों को एंटरटेन, जो आजकल
हो रहा है.
स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी शो एवरीथिंग, ऑल द आर्टिस्ट आर अमेजिंग. तो उस टाइम पे भी यही होता था कि हम वहाँ से सीख रहे थे. अभी पॉलिटिक्स ये हो गया, नए लोग आ गए जिन्होंने कभी लर्न नहीं किया, बैठे बैठाए मतलब व्यूज बढ़
You
गए.
think
ये
social media has a big role to play in this?
See, I don't
Because
want to.
I believe-
Yeah, see, एक word social media is overall not bad. Why? Because लोगों के लिए अच्छाई भी हो रही है. काफी बेचारे जो
lot of stories.
lot of stories where people have progressed also. For example, हमारे जो डिलीवरी बॉयज हैं, लोग डिलीवरी कर रहे हैं, जो लोग रास्ते पे बेच रहे हैं, आज थ्रू सोशल मीडिया वो अपने उसको बढ़ा रहे हैं. उनके पास पैसे नहीं है एडवर्टाइजमेंट डालने के लिए. तो मैं सोशल मीडिया को ब्लेम नहीं करूँगा. इज द few people who are making it worse because they don't want other people to progress. Why? Because उनको लगता है कि अभी सोशल मीडिया आ गया तो हमें वो करना. I'm saying आप करो, but go from scratch to up. Learn, understand, which I tell everyone. कि आपको शुरू से देखना पड़ेगा कि उस बंदी की जर्नी क्या रही है, उस बंदी की जर्नी क्या रही है.
But you
उसका
also
experience
feel
क्या
like
रहा है.
this happens because, I often talk about this. Like any other professional field, there is an institution, there is a government institution who regulates. There's a proper channel, the proper way of doing
Correct.
things. In the art industry, when I say art industry, I'm talking about fine art as well. I'm talking about music as well. I'm talking about dance as well, and other forms of art as well. There's no even stand-up comedy. There's no regulatory body.
Correct.
एंड सच बात है, मैं तो ब्लंटली बोलता हूँ, कोई भी बच्चा उठ के आज के दिन में सोशल मीडिया पे आके वो मतलब ही बिकम्स अ who's who for no reason, for no whatever, just because he has a nice beautiful face or something which
Yeah.
is attractive. And people
Hmm.
like a lot of people just get left behind because of
Correct.
so do you think there should be a proper institution, or there should be some sort of unity in the industry which stops all of this?
Now you said you answered your own question. Unity is very important. अब जाके because हम रेस में भाग रहे हैं ना, तो हमने एक दूसरे का साथ छोड़ दिया है. There is no unity left. Why? Because थक चुके हैं. आज आप देखो स्ट्रीट्स पे भी देखो, लोगों के पेशेंस सब्र नहीं है. स्ट्रीट फाइट्स हो रहे हैं, झगड़े हो रहे हैं, रोड रेजेस हो रहे हैं. हम खुद आज गाड़ी चलाते हैं मुंबई में, किसी ने कट मार दी तो उसको गुस्से से कुछ कह दिया या उतर के उसको वो पकड़ लिया. आई एम लाइक मतलब गुस्सा आता है, एग्रेशन होता है. वाई? बिकॉज नथिंग इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. आफ्टर कोविड एवरीवन हैज बिकम सो, बिकॉज लोगों के घर चले
Patience
गए हैं,
level.
पैसे खत्म हो गए, सेविंग्स खत्म हो गए. सो एवरीवन इज बिकम, देयर इज नो पेशेंस लेफ्ट इन पीपल. सो मैं ये कहूँगा कि वी नीड टू जस्ट काम आवरसेल्व्स डाउन, इंक्लूडिंग मी. ऑब्वियसली आई एम नॉट लाइक अ सेंट. मैंने भी गुस्सा दिखाया है, मैंने भी बहुत चिड़चिड़ किए लोगों पे, खास करके यू नो व्हेन यू बाइंग थिंग्स ये वो, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग टू यू प्रॉपर्ली. एंड आई वांट पीपल टू टॉक टू मी प्रॉपर्ली. अननेसेसरी तो कुछ नहीं है, बट यू नो इट्स इंसिग्रेट. बट ठीक है, ये बोला जाता है कि अगर कोई सामने वाला भी गुस्से से, तो आप उसको अच्छे से जवाब दो. वो हमारे में पेशेंस रहा नहीं है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज मच नीडेड. एंड सोशल मीडिया का ऐसा है कि आप उसको अच्छे चीज़ में कन्वर्ट करो ना, उसको अच्छे अच्छे कंटेंट में कन्वर्ट कीजिए. ना कि आप कुछ भी ट्रोलिंग हो रही है, ये हो रही, क्यों हो रही है, आप क्यों कर रहे हो किसी की ट्रोलिंग? यार क्या हो रहा है? पहले भी तो चीज़ें होती थी, अभी भी हो रहा है. यू ट्रोलिंग अदर पीपल एंड ऑल दैट. फर्स्ट सी योरसेल्फ, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, यू नो.
What have you
हाँ
achieved?
हाँ,
Yes.
बहुत अगर गलत हो रही है, देश पे बात आ रही है, आई अंडरस्टैंड, यू टॉक अबाउट इट. बिकॉज इस देश ने हमें सब कुछ दिया है. वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट the people of the country and not just going on the art and pointing out people and all that. अभी बहुत हो गया है. हमारे टाइम में
Big
इतना नहीं
pointing
था.
out
होता होगा, पेपर्स में इतना आता नहीं. अब बहुत खुलेआम हो गया है. You know, you read everywhere, every reel
नहीं
you
होता
scroll,
तो वही
there's
as you
something.
rightly said कि होता तो शायद पहले भी होगा,
पहले भी होता
but
था,
ये कि नजर में नहीं आता था
नजर
ना.
में नहीं आता था, बिकॉज लोग इतना ओपन नहीं थे. आज सब सोशल मीडिया का जमाना, तो यू पुटिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन इट.
On it.
अब से पुट राइट पीपल, लेट राइट. अभी तो कितनी कंट्रीजों ने वो कर दिया ना कि जब तक अगर आप
Ban,
सर्टिफाइड नहीं हो तो
UAE,
आप
हाँ.
कंटेंट नहीं डाल सकते, विच इज
हाँ,
वेरी गुड.
yeah,
द
yeah.
इंस्टीट्यूशन आल्सो नीड्स टू बी देयर, to the channel needs to be there. I think India is also coming, and there are articles I've read that we also regulating some
Regulate.
कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ वेरी
Minimum
गुड थिंग.
age,
यू
yeah.
हैव टू. अभी हमने इतना सीखा, हमने अपनी चीज़ें सीखा, आज भी हमको लग रहा है हमको बहुत सीखना है. देयर आर पीपल हु जस्ट कम बिकॉज आपके एक पॉइंट पे इतने व्यूअर्सशिप आ गई हैं, आप मिलने से आपको सब आ गया. ऐसा नहीं है. आई एम सेइंग वी रिस्पेक्ट यू, आई रिस्पेक्ट यू व्हाट यू आर, बट यू नीड टू गो बाय द चैनल्स.
But yeah,
You know?
so the terminology which you said, like a million followers or this and that. So I have this terminology which I said there's a difference between digital exposure and physical exposure.
Correct.
Physical exposure is all the kind of stuff that you've done. You've physically been there
Yes.
amongst 2,000 people physically and
Yes.
experienced.
Yes.
वो छोटे छोटे मतलब मैं अभी क्या मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक वाटर बॉय का भी एक्सपीरियंस आपको पता होगा कि कैसे कोई पानी पिलाने भी आता है या
हाँ.
उसको कैसे बात करनी पड़ती है.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Digitally,
Yeah.
you're just you're a one man army. If not
Correct.
one, so 10 people, 20 people की team होती है. So you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Number two, what I also feel is, and correct me if I'm wrong, I think finance has a very big role to play in it. पहले भी चाहिए होता था to
हाँ.
become a legitimate dancer, you need
हाँ.
finance to invest in yourself,
Correct.
this and
Correct.
that. But now, anyone with deep pockets can
Yeah.
put money on social media and become famous.
Yes.
So this is
All the PR.
all
Most of
PR.
the PR people is paid PR and all, depending, like, you know, and everyone knows about it, so that no one knows.
Hmm.
Up like today, if you want to highlight yourself, you can. You get a PR company that मैं airport से आज इधर जा रहा हूँ, उधर जा रहा हूँ. You will get famous because people start, because the algorithm में आ जाएगा ना. अभी रोज 4 पोस्ट डाल रहे हो. आज मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ, आज मैं मुंबई जा रहा हूँ एयरपोर्ट पे, आज मैं मुंबई लैंड हुआ. तो obviously if you doing that homework for yourself, it will happen because it's part of your social media work. This is what people want to see you doing. You want to be seen by people, and there are content which you are liking in education. I'm very happy to see our seniors
Yeah.
doing posts because आज उनके पास काम नहीं, because they're retired and everything. Home they're doing cooking, they're dancing. I want to see those. I want to see them happy because उन्होंने they have gone through one
Gone
life.
through
Now,
2-3 मतलब
yeah, I think social media should be just for them, yeah. You know, in terms of that
beautiful,
portion.
yeah.
I feel that because I'm a very family oriented person. I know how our parents have struggled for us, everything. Today is their time, even if they just want to keep themselves happy, and I want people to see them rather than us. मैं
Beautiful.
इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज लोगों ने मुझे देख लिया बट उन लोगों के लिए मैं
नहीं,
बोल
नहीं,
रहा
नहीं,
हूँ
नहीं.
मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा
But I want to come to that
हाँ,
as well because
yeah.
you know I've been following you on
Yeah.
social media, this and that. We've been following you for donkey years.
Yeah.
You never got that urge to be seen like you. I've
Yeah.
never seen a pap coming. Because that's all paid. We all know
हाँ.
it. But you never had that urge कि हाँ भाई मुझे भी ये marketing करनी चाहिए या
हाँ.
social media पे
हाँ.
कुछ ऐसे डालना चाहिए.
बस यही है कि बिकॉज जहाँ से मैं आ रहा हूँ ना कभी वो दिखावा हुआ ही नहीं है आप समझ रहे हो कि
सही
जहाँ से आप आते हो जहाँ से आपने सीखा है जो आपने अपने बॉस को देख के सीखा है अपने टीचर्स को देख के सीखा है वो कभी आया नहीं जिंदगी में और पैप्स वगैरह तो ऐसे कि हर कोई पैप्स पेड नहीं है
हाँ, I mean,
yeah
yeah, I
so
mean,
the
70,
journalists and
80%, yeah,
everything yeah it's more मतलब अगर आपको आपको PR कराना तो the agency will take care of it but there are people who are very famous they perhaps सामने से खुद
Genuinely,
जाते हैं
yeah.
जर्नलिस्ट खुद सामने से जाते हैं और वो मोमेंट हमारे साथ रहा है मेरे साथ रहा है जैसे हम DID कर रहे थे when you become like you know a face for television which is on a national platform you're traveling so there are people following you they want to tell people कि okay, now he's going there so they are not paid PR they actually come they take your pictures and you're in the media and everything नाउ थोड़ा ओपन हो गया बिकॉज नाउ यू हैव चैनल्स अभी तो ऐसी एजेंसीज हैं जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ उनको हायर इस चीज के लिए भी कर सकते हो बट या द अटेंशन इज वेरी
हायर
नाइस
किसके लिए कर सकते हो जस्ट
जस्ट टू पेड पीआर जैसे हमने कहा कि अभी आपको अगर 4-5 बार आप ऊपर नीचे कर ले हो एक पैप खड़ा रहेगा बॉम्बे में एक पैप इधर खड़े रहेंगे जर्नलिस्ट जो भी आपके बारे में राइट अप करेंगे इट्स देयर यू नो इट्स नॉट दैट यू कैन नॉट और वो भी करने की जरूरत नहीं आप अपना खुद का पेज बना लो खुद चीजें डालने लगो यू विल
And the difference is that compared to offline media, digital to stays, no?
Yeah.
Look, I can still search a Feroz Khan back in 2005 and know who he is
Yeah.
as compared to offline. Newspaper to phat ke.
Exactly. There are so many articles. I have a lot of journalist friends who are like big names. They have done some amazing job and they're like true because our digital ka zamana, so they're working in hands with people who are working digitally also. Because abhi to पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं ना everything is on the phone.
On your phone.
You know 10-6 आर्टिकल 12 आर्टिकल तो ऐसे ही आ जाते हैं.
Anyway,
हाँ.
talking about DID,
Yeah.
the biggest, I mean, Dance India Dance. I think I'm going to start the podcast with this only. So, Dance India Dance. Like that was, I mean, you actually, you said it, right? You were the face. People were chanting your names. We've seen you do all those fancy stunts. Acha, I want to come to that also.
Yeah.
You were a stunt man. You were this, you were that. I can't even keep up. So, take us through that journey. How did Dance India Dance fall into your platter? First things first.
So I'll start from the beginning. DID season 1 जब हो रहा था तब मैं और गीता माँ like you know we branched out from Farama and I wanted to do film songs because film मेरी journey रही थी and I wanted to do music video. I wanted to explore as a choreographer. So उस टाइम मुझे भी एक ऑफर आया था ऐसा कुछ एक DID शो आ रहा है तो आई सेड नो मुझे पता नहीं क्या है टेलीविजन कुछ आ रहा है मतलब इतना वो नहीं था आई वाज जस्ट वेरी एक्साइटेड कि अभी मैं कोरियोग्राफर बनने वाला हूँ मैं असिस्टेंट मैंने बहुत सारा कर लिया काम अभी मुझे चांस मिला है कि जब मैं हूं ना फरामा डायरेक्ट कर रही थी तो सारे काम में ना हमें कॉल्स आते थे कि अभी हमारी फिल्म में आप गाना करो बिकॉज दे नो दे बीन ट्रेन अंडर फारा खान दे कुड नॉट अफोर्ड अस सो उन जैसा कुछ काम तो मिल जाएगा So I have done the you know amazing songs and some hit films and music video. Atif Aslam's music video in the beginning, abhi, which means there's all shot by me.
Which
I was
one?
a
Which
choreographer.
one?
तेरे बिन मैं यूं कैसे
See,
जिया
that also you
that
did.
shot मैं एक फर्द हूँ. So I've shown 3-4 music videos with you know Atif Aslam that time. So many songs. So because उस time
Anyway,
पे video
yeah,
का जमाना था, lot of videos with Daler Mehndi sir we've shot हो गई through Bali. You see me dancing. You know उसमें तो मैं dancer
I've
था,
seen.
but there are a lot of music videos you go in the past in 90s. I've shot as a choreographer, and then it was been an amazing journey. तो DID तब मैंने बोला ये मुझे नहीं कोई शो आ रहा है मुझे नहीं करना तो I think that will they have approached then 3 best judges they removed. Good I was not there that time. So they could get Remo, Geetama and Terence. The
Terence.
best judges till date. Okay. And then when season 4 they
And
happened.
Remo sir also you've literally grown. I mean,
Yeah, because I've seen him growing.
career-wise.
They were my senior.
Yeah.
Respect to him. Respect to Terence. Respect to Geetama. Because she was the one I was there with Farama where she really supported me. And Lonji sir, who's Jeho's choreographer. His name was
Acha.
been you know taken on the Oscars. You know, choreographer from Mumbai and very big name. Longinis Fernandez. So yeah, so he was assisting that time. When I joined, he was leaving transition to a choreographer. And that time Geeta Mami were like there as assistants and other 2 people. And that was the journey. When then season 4 happened, they approached again. कि यार now you have to do it.
And that time DID had become DID.
Yeah, DID had become DID, and they were looking for new faces, and a lot of people were approached, and I was on the list, and I was amongst the panel. I was the most senior and experienced
time.
person, and then they knew my journey, so that we want you to do 4th season. Even when I was on the show, at one of the episode, Mithunda said also that we were trying to get Firoz from the first episode, from the first season. But kuch kisi chalte way he was not there. But 4th season we made sure that he's there. So I was there because I wanted to just be behind camera and create things. My whole focus was that. So being sitting on a judge panel seat, I was even when I was judging, I used to there at the studio rehearsing with my team, mentoring them. And I used to be there 24/7 because I thought I'll learn something from them because ये बच्चे आके करते हैं कैसे ये सब कैसे कर लेते हैं क्योंकि हमारा तो कट ये सब होता था ना ऐसा I want to see how this kids I want to mentor them I also get to learn a lot of things so I used to be on rehearsals मुझे बोला जाता था by the channel sir please go सुबह shoot होनी है आपके eye bags आ रहे हैं I said no I'll make sure I'll look good and everything but I used to spend time with them and they were young kids and today mashallah they're doing so well they become choreographers they become actors like students
we know
so that was a journey I was told there was a lot of mock rehearsals so you need to go through a lot of phases to even become a judge also they'll do a lot of mock shoots with you understand how you talk
See how you talk,
experience just खाली matter नहीं करता experience के साथ में आप पूरा देश आपको देख रहा होगा and then देश के अलावा पूरा internationally आपको because Z is one of the most loved channels
loved channels
internationally
and especially that time because
yeah
4 channels तो होते थे
exactly
Sony Z
yeah so
Star
उस तरह से हमारे mock shoots हुए ये हुए we got selected and there were a lot of stories and contract signing it took 3 months the journey was 3 months of proper auditioning to be a judge and all
so yeah talking about DID so it took 3 months to actually get you on set I mean get you behind the camera so tell me about that journey like I want to know how are these shows set up like again talking about educative stuff if a new person I mean a newbie wants to come take part in this show how does one come through because एक ये भी एक rumor है sir that all these shows are all scripted they're all a facade वो कहते हैं ना वो रोने को बोलते हैं तो उस पे कैमरा फोकस जाता है ऐसी ऐसी कहानियां हैं so how true or how untrue is this
okay so basically shows जैसा भी हमारा ये podcast भी scripted है because you have prepared your questions right
yeah
मुझे तो नहीं पता आप मुझे क्या पूछने वाले हो आपने एक स्क्रिप्ट बनाई है आप उसके थ्रू मुझे पूछ रहे हो so it's scripted same thing with other shows also they have to write it down ना कि अभी A होगा B होगा C होगा D होगा और D के साथ में A को क्लब इन करना है B को because हमें कंटेंट भी बनाना है because sponsors आते हैं we need to take care of the sponsors also जो जिसके वजह से shows चल रहे हैं ठीक है ना so even people the new generation who's coming up now it's very easy every time there's an audition there are promos which is being played on television especially now on digital platforms and everything, you get to know through social media that there's an audition happening for such kind of shows. And people go and do the auditions. You just have to be the best to, compete depending how good and bad that will, the judges will decide. So, काफ़ी filter होके आते हैं. तो when you're doing a scratch audition, पहले तो जजेस तो नहीं जो मेन जजेस जो आप टीवी पे देख रहे हैं तो वो तो नहीं करते आपकी कोच जो और कोरियोग्राफर्स हैं जो महारती हैं इस चीज़ में वो सारे फिल्टर्स करते हैं एंड दे गेट द बेस्ट 50 और 60 100 डिपेंडिंग ऑन द शो फॉर्मेट वो ला के देते हैं देन देयर ऑडिशन राउंड हैपेंस फॉर द मेन जजेस एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर इट गोज टू कटिंग डाउन टू द दिस थिंग
बट आर दीज शोज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द जर्नी ऑफ एनी न्यू डांसर
सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज काफ़ी लोगों को चांस मिला और द बेस्ट एग्जांपल there are so many best examples, but the two best example is our slow motion king.
Yeah,
Raghav. Today, where has he reached? Just imagine.
Yeah.
He's come through dancing, right? Dharmesh sir. He's come through dancing. He's doing so well for himself. Again, he's a very quiet person. मतलब he's not going to do so much halla hu. वो अपना कुछ ना कुछ करता रहेगा.
And but he's also come from the slums of...
he's also come from scratch. Even Raghav, amazing. Today we meet at a party or somewhere. The respect, the love is the same. They have not changed as a person. हाल ही में अभी एक party में I met Raghav after so many years. I met with Aryan also. Amazing to meet. Amazing. मतलब Raghav को तो मैं personally जानता हूँ, धर्मेश को personally जानता हूँ because
You work with
you know, they've come onto my show also because they were the people who
Largely,
were
yeah.
there trendsetters for DID as contestants. So उनको भी बुलाया जाता था especially to perform in front of us and all that. And the journey has been beautiful. So today, so that's what I'm saying. You should not forget your grounds. That is one thing you should always do. कि आप जहाँ से आए हो कभी भूलना नहीं चाहिए. And you respect your seniors. And they do it so well. And it's very easy now for today's world, today's generation, it's very easy to come in because you get all information everywhere. And make it a hobby. Like dancing is not a profession, to be honest. अभी कहीं कहीं बन गया because a lot of people are getting educated and now they हमारे टाइम पे तो इतना प्रोफेशनलिज्म था ही नहीं
था ही
डांसिंग का कि आपको डांसर कोरियोग्राफर हमें तो पैसे कमाने थे तो हम बन गए डांसर कोरियोग्राफर एंड एवरीथिंग
आज एक legit
आप
profession
यू
है.
हैव योर इंस्टीट्यूट पहले भी थे बट बहुत रेयरली आज तो मतलब वर्कशॉप्स हो रहे हैं ये हो रहे हैं वो हो रहे हैं सो इट्स
And there are different verticals. उस टाइम तो क्या होता था एक बस मतलब choreography in movies, choreography in classes, and that's it.
Yeah.
अब शादी के लिए there are different
संगीत
choreography.
yeah
संगीत के लिए there are different.
yeah
Like there are verticals
हाँ.
of in that as well.
yes yes yes
For shows there are different
Yeah.
choreographers. So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean it's a boon that
Yeah.
this has been made.
yeah
But also talking about the struggle, sir.
Huh.
Like that time because not a lot of people had knowledge about it, so it was very easy choosing that becoming a Raghav was comparatively easier than today's time. Do you agree or not?
like sorry I didn't get the
In those time,
हाँ.
because there was so much unity.
correct
The
हाँ.
circle was so
हाँ.
small.
हाँ.
People knew people.
हाँ.
So it was easier coming to a show and becoming a certain XYZ.
Hmm.
Today, there's so much competition thanks to social media,
Yeah.
digital media. So how difficult does it get for today's newbie to become a dancer?
See, today, because of social media, it's not very difficult because if you, this is my the observation.
Yeah.
This is my observation. हमारे टाइम पे हम बोल सकते थे कंपटीशन होता था बिकॉज बहुत कम लोग होते थे यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट अब लोग ज्यादा हैं तो आपके पास चॉइसेस भी ज्यादा हैं
मैं उल्टा सोचता हूँ कि अब कंपटीशन ज्यादा है क्योंकि आपकी चलो व्यूअरशिप भी बढ़
वाई
गई है.
बिकॉज अगर आप यहाँ नहीं वर्क करो तो हम यहाँ तो वर्क करोगे बिकॉज आपके ऑप्शंस बहुत हैं हमारे पास पहले ऑप्शंस नहीं होते थे आपको था कि एक ही बंदा यही कर पाएगा और कोई नहीं कर पाएगा उसको और कोई आने नहीं देगा तो वेरी इजी टू स्टॉप दैट पर्सन टू गेटिंग अनदर पर्सन ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट टुडे यू हैव चॉइसेस टुडे ads for example ads हम इतने ad shoot करते थे I've shot the maximum number of ads with the A-listers from Alia Bhatt to Junior NTR to Priyanka Chopra to you name it Varun Dhawan everyone I've shot with Katrina Kaif because ads बनते थे वो levels पे आज भी बनते हैं मगर बहुत कम digitally हो गए ना so now a choreographer who has become something on social media is doing the choreography, which is good. It's not bad, but there you have options. Today, if you see Guru Randhawa's video, now you know he's doing a lot of
The new
videos.
videos,
He's
yeah.
giving chance to people, which is very good. Who's giving chance to a lot of newcomers who has have some amazing choreography and amazing dancing, and they've reached to a certain level
Social
and all
media
that.
presence, yeah.
So it's become easier for you to message Guru Randhawa on social media. Next video, I want to be there. And if you're really good, you're on it. That's what I'm saying. So, आज की ज़माने में ना it's a little easier, just need to how to do it. How to function that. हमारे टाइम पे थोड़ा difficult था. Choices बहुत कम थे. तो इसके साथ ही काम करेंगे because हमारे पे choice ही नहीं था किसी और को लेने का.
Wow.
This is my observation.
Yeah.
You know.
नहीं मैं I'm just thinking.
Because suddenly, because I can understand from your point of view. कि नहीं इतना सब कुछ हो गया भीड़ जम
मतलब
गई है
ये है कि हाँ सप्लाई भी
हाँ.
बढ़ी है बट फिर डिमांड भी तो फिर उतना ही
डिमांड भी
बढ़ा
तो
है
उतना ही है ना डिमांड भी तो उतना है ये मेरे ऑब्जर्वेशन है जो मैं सोचता हूँ मे बी शायद आई एम रॉन्ग मे बी व्यूअर्स जो देख रहे हैं उनको भी सोच रहा होगा कि यार मेरे हिसाब से तो ऐसा नहीं होगा बट आई एम थिंक मे बी फ्यू पीपल विल कनेक्ट विद मी फॉर दिस बट दिस इज माय थिंकिंग
because you've seen both sides.
आई
of
सीन
the
बोथ
coin.
दिस आई एम एन एनालॉग पर्सन आई हैव सीन थिंग्स फ्रॉम एनालॉग साइड हम तो फिल्म पे शूट करते थे ना अभी से डिजिटली हुआ है सारा ये करेक्ट है
सही।
आज बेचारा एडिटर पक जाता है इतनी चीजें एडिट करने के लिए आज वो भी यूज टू हो गया
हमारा रिटर्न
और अभी एआई आ गया तो इट जस्ट गिव्स यू
everything is
व्हाटएवर
easy. Yeah.
एवरीथिंग इजी पहले हम तो फिल्म पे शूट करते थे एनालॉग पे तो उतना ही रखते थे जितना काटना शॉट पे लिखा जाता था कि शॉट ए इज ओके शॉट ऑल द फिल्म्स दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग सो देयर हैज बीन अ लर्निंग हमारी जो टीचर्स थी वो शॉर्ट ब्रेकडाउन बनाती थी फारा खान मैम हर बड़े कोरियोग्राफर फ्रॉम सरोज मैम प्रभुदेवा सर फारामा यू नेम इट गणेश मास्टर सर एवरीवन शॉर्ट ब्रेकडाउन एंड लिखा जाता था कि शॉट ए शॉट टू जब शॉट लिया जाता था तो क्लैप पे लिखते थे शॉट ए इज ओके, तो द असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर टू टिक मार्क कि यही शॉट कट के एडिट पे जाएगा.
नहीं, but I'll give you an example. Like you rightly said, okay, उस time आप मानते हो कि competition ना था.
हाँ.
Now let's talk about that time. If that time I want to do, if I'm SRK,
हाँ.
if I want to learn a dance, I would call a Feroz Khan or
हाँ.
a Geeta
हाँ.
or XYZ,
हम्म.
and they would come teach me,
हाँ.
and I would pay a certain amount of
हाँ.
finance
हाँ.
to whatever get this done.
हाँ.
In today's time, if I'm an SRK as
हाँ.
well,
हाँ.
same situation,
हाँ.
I'm SRK.
हाँ.
But in today's time, now my son
हाँ.
XYZ Khan wants to learn a new dance
हाँ.
form. Now, why would I even bother calling? Because Feroz Khan is big, Farah Khan is big.
हाँ.
Now, what I'll simply do is I'll go onto YouTube and type dance tutorials for my 5-year-old son,
Correct.
and done.
Done.
So now, technically, one job is
हाँ.
physical job is stolen, no?
हाँ.
So,
correct.
which would have ideally been your job
हाँ.
is taken over by YouTube or technology.
नहीं बट ठीक है, अभी लोग आ रहे हैं, गिव देम अ चांस, आई एम ओके.
हाँ, but what I'm saying
हाँ.
is, but what I'm trying to say is that हाँ, competition तो अब
Yeah.
ज़्यादा बड़ा ही है.
एग्जैक्टली बड़ा है. लोग अभी मेरे साथ के भी जितने लोग हैं, वी आर नॉट लाइक देयर कि जैसे हम रेगुलर काम करते थे ना, हम बहुत कम हो गया बिकॉज चॉइसेस इतनी हो गई कि दे हैव पीपल टू वर्क अराउंड मोर. दे आल्सो वांट टू एक्सप्लोर न्यू बिकॉज आइडियाज भी पुराने होते
पुराने
जाते
होते
हैं.
जाते हैं.
बट टुडे लाइक यू सेड दैट आई एम 51, आई एम स्टिल
doing
relevant होना चाहिए. So I'm learning new things. I add certain things into my work and everything which still look fresh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, of course.
Yeah, but तो एक मेंटालिटी है, जब तक मैं जिसको मिलूंगा नहीं बताऊंगा तो पता नहीं चलेगा. पर अगर आपको लगता है अरे फिरोज को तो बहुत टाइम हो गया इंडस्ट्री में, तो मैं किसी नए को लेता हूँ जिसका नया अप्रोच हो. बट जब तक बंदा मेरे साथ बैठ के मेरे बारे मेरा सुनेगा नहीं,
Ideology.
स्क्रिप्ट आइडियोलॉजी नहीं सुनेगा, तो उसको नहीं पता चलेगा ना. So what you do is you be relevant, then you go on social media and put your things. That's why if you see my social media is not very big right now.
Yeah, that is.
I've kept it only if you see most of my work is there on social media. जो काम मैं करता हूँ वो पोस्ट करता हूँ, जो काम मैं करता हूँ पोस्ट करता हूँ. You know, going to see me going to the
Right.
airport कि मैं आज इधर से फ्लाइट ले रहा हूँ, वो खाली स्टोरीज पे होगा. कभी हाँ I'm going to Delhi, I'm going here, I'm going where, literally. But I'm not going to make a halla out of it. वो मेरा choice है.
That is your
That is
life,
my
yeah.
choice. That is my life. I want to be
Yeah.
not to be seen so much. I'm happy with that. 200 people coming and say liking my post, 100 people coming liking my, okay. During COVID, there were a lot of kids who wanted to do interviews and all that. Even there were followers of 150 people. They used to DM me and I said, "Chalo kar lete." I've done those also during COVID.
And now you even have a dance academy, which I wanted to talk about. Do you ever think that you can go into art education? When I say art education, dance education, do you think you can be a good educator?
Yeah, I think I will. Why? Because I always
You always taught.
right? I've been teaching all my life. I don't have a full-fledged dance institute, but yeah, I keep doing a lot of workshops, which I'm tending to do more. I always wanted to have my own institute. I've never, got a chance to do it because maybe I got busy with work, busy with family, busy with my own things. Maybe, being not there, mind is not there,
It's a
whatever.
full-time job, yeah.
Yeah. So, वो हो नहीं पाया. कितनी बार शुरू में try भी किया because people don't like instructors. Like I cannot be just one. When you say institute, there needs to be people around you. Now today's generation, because they know how the system works, how the industry works, everyone wants to make big money, everyone wants to be relevant, and everyone wants to be something
An
on social
XYZ
media. Yeah.
person, yeah.
So they don't want to come and teach for a few $1,000. You getting my point? So getting a right instructor. So I don't want that name to go. अरे फिरोज खान ने डांस शुरू किया था, 1 महीने तक ठीक किया, बाद में खराब हो गया. तो for to be relevant, that you need to have a great team. वो मैं कभी बना नहीं पाया. शुरू किया था, बट मुझे लगा कि जब
बहुत
नहीं होने
मुश्किल
वाला
है.
तो मैंने स्टॉप कर दिया. फिर मैं इसलिए वर्कशॉप्स करने लगा एंड ऑल दैट. आई वुड लव टू हैव.
You're a one-man army.
Yeah, have you seen me?
Yeah.
I
But why is it so difficult to make a team? Like, I mean, because do you think everyone's so busy with their lives, or is it the concentration that you need, or the discipline that you need?
the discipline, the concentration, and plus the monies. Because आज की तारीख में सब कुछ ज़रूरत है यार. आज हमारी ज़िंदगी इतनी फास्ट हो गई है. We want to call a burger and eat. We want to call a pizza and eat. We need that money
Patience
to
नहीं
be there. Patience नहीं है. So they want तो पैसे you cannot make it a monthly salary. So your institute is like a monthly salary.
Monthly.
No one wants to work on a monthly salary. They want to work as a per day person. Like for example, if you're dancing in a Bollywood industry, your per day is 5,000 rupees a day.
अच्छा, per
As a
day
ba-
हो गया है. मतलब it's
per-
not even per project.
No. पहले से ही, अभी से नहीं. It
Okay.
should be a per day. यूनियन रेट अगर आप सुनोगे, जो एक्चुअल यूनियन रेट हमारे टाइम पे तो 550, 750 बाद में यूनियन रेट फॉर 12 आवर्स, 8 आवर्स,
8 hours.
8 आवर्स, फिर बाद में अभी 12 घंटे का बड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट वो हुआ हुआ है।
हाँ.
अभी तो लमसम हो के 5,000, 4,500 था, पहले 3,500 था, फिर 4,500, अभी 5। मुझे कोई अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट मिलता था, गिव माई डांसर्स 6,000 ऑल्सो, 7,000 ऑल्सो
Oh my God.
पर डे,
Per day.
पर डे प्लस रिहर्सल्स का हाफ। इफ यू रिहर्सिंग
Then you have to.
per day rehearsals half or the payment what you're getting for the shoot. So just imagine अगर आपने 10 दिन भी शूट लिया तो आपने 50,000 कमा लिए, और आप मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट में आओगे तो मैं आपको कितना दूंगा? 20 से 25,000 रुपए दूंगा अगर आप बहुत अच्छे इंस्ट्रक्टर भी हो तो। मैं 50 तो नहीं देने वाला आपको,
सही बात है.
but I also have to
That
take
is
care of the
also
entire.
monthly.
So I'm saying it's a big लोगों ने करा, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं I'm the only one, लोगों ने करा, ऐसी किसी का कैलकुलेशन बैठ गया तो कर लिया है, मैं नहीं कर पाया, मेरे से नहीं हो पाया।
Mathematics.
Maybe
वो
because
कहते हैं ना, artist knows how to do his art form,
Exactly.
but he doesn't know how to sell his.
Correct. And I'm a person, I cannot force things.
Yeah.
I can still, there are a lot of followers who wants to work with me. मैं कर सकता हूँ, और वो क्या 6 महीने करेंगे, 1 साल करेगा कोई भी, कुछ बाद में जब चकाचौंध दिख जाती है ना, so everyone wants to step, want to become big.
Big.
Like today, my assistants have become actors, have become choreographers. आज उनका कुछ जब काम आता है तो I post their work without they telling me, सर एक मेरा पोस्ट को तो मैं खुद से करता हूँ. Why? I want people to know and say कि हाँ, they also, you know, they become something. So I'm that kind of a person, very emotional,
Wow.
very this thing. I want people to grow in life.
Do you
I'm that guy.
think being emotional in this industry works though?
नहीं, वो मैं बोलूँ, हाँ. So you cannot be emotional. You cannot. You have to be street smart. If you want to be in the industry, ना, street smart. इज्जत करो सबकी, because अगर आप इंडस्ट्री में किसकी इज्जत नहीं करोगे ना, you won't be respected. The main thing, और वो हर डिपार्टमेंट के लिए जाता है, सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री के लिए नहीं, हर फॉर्म ऑफ वर्क में जाता है. कॉर्पोरेट बोलो, इंडस्ट्री बोलो, घर बोलो, कुछ
Agreed.
इज्जत दो. आप जब तक सब किसकी इज्जत ठीक नहीं करोगे, आपके सामने
नहीं
लेके, आप
होगी.
लोग भूल जाएंगे. That's what industry. If you're not respecting, they'll forget you. Respect रखो, street smart. That what I couldn't do. I couldn't be a street smart because word of mouth पे ठीक है सर, no problem. मैं कभी किसके सर, मैं कभी नहीं कर पाया वो.
But you used to take.
जैसे चीजें आती गई, I'm just being
But
very,
I-
I'm being
नहीं,
very candid
I
on your
want
show.
to.
Very candid on your show, and I have no regret to say this also. I'm that kind of a person. मैं कभी अभी भी जब होता है कि सर अभी हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है, प्रोड्यूसर सर फिरोज इतने पैसे आपको देने, नहीं सर आप जितने दे दो कर लेंगे. There was a time people have given
You
me
used to demand.
and people are given. Today there is no time that way because they have options, na bhai. Oh, you have to run the house, you have to run
Yeah.
everything. So there's no demand today. So today,
And I'm pretty sure, have you ever had those times where, you know, in the industry as well, because it's a dark industry as well as there's a lot of light as well. I'm
Huh.
not going to say it's a very dark
yeah.
space.
Huh.
But you must have seen those times where people must be pressurizing you to get into something dirty or something dark. That's also happened with you, and you've said no proudly. Or you've had that phase.
Not majorly, but there were times like जैसे parties वगैरह ये वो, तो उसमें entertainment के लिए you know, you have to be there and entertain some people in terms of कि नहीं आपको इसके साथ में you know आपको for example हमें 3 घंटे के लिए बुलाया, ठीक है, then they exploiting you to dance for 8 hours. You getting my point? So you have a show for 3 hours.
3 hours.
We did it, and then exploiting you कि नहीं आपको 8 घंटा तो रहना पड़ेगा, not getting paid for it. और उस टाइम पे हम कर भी लेते थे because we used to enjoy our work. And हाँ क्या शायद यही ऐसा ही होता है.
And now बोल दो तो फिर then you get into their bad
हाँ,
books.
then you're not being called again
Yeah.
for this certain client. Same with the shoot also. शुरू होता था कि नहीं you have to, because if you've said कि हम इतना ही पैसा अभी ये करेंगे तो वो पहले तो 18 घंटे, अब जाके 12 घंटे का हुआ है कि 12 hours then you
Is
get
your
demand.
shift, हाँ.
Yeah, so one shift नहीं, तो पहले तो 18 घंटा 20 घंटा हमने शूट किया, 24 hours शूट किए हैं नॉन स्टॉप, 36 hours भी शूट किया हुआ है.
24 hours you
36
shot
hours भी 2
non-stop.
यूनिट में शूट किया नॉन स्टॉप. आज भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता, बट यू कैन डिमांड आफ्टर 12 hours के अंदर ये आपका शिफ्ट बढ़ेगा, आपको देना पड़ेगा करके. लेबर्स के बेचारों का शिफ्ट बढ़ता है बिकॉज उनकी ज्यादा
Yeah,
इनकम नहीं है,
income नहीं है.
750 1250 रुपया, फिर आप डबल कर दोगे तो फिर 1,500 उनको बेचारों को मिलेगा, 2,000 मिलेगा, ये तो वैसा है.
Oh wow.
या
Shit, I got into that zone. But yeah,
Yeah.
anyway, those were times. And I
Yeah.
think that is why the coming of these management I mean, that's why these management agencies took a step in, and now every human in the industry has a manager, so-called manager, because when the artist can't sell himself, the manager does. So did you also have that phase where you go into a
It's
management system?
Mostly with the artists as an actors I'm talking about.
Hmm.
There are few like choreographers or singers, so they have their own people to take care of the work and all that. वो इसलिए बोला जाता है कि आप पैसे की बात मत करो, we take care of it.
हाँ
So
वही
you getting me? Like
हाँ,
for shows,
वही तो मैं कह
like it
रहा
happened with me after DID, because after DID what was happening, I was called to a lot of places to
Yeah, yeah.
inaugurate a showroom or to go to a mall or go to a dance school and everything. So and a name is not talking directly, or I was not very comfortable. तो मैंने कभी काफ़ी लोग ने अप्रोच किया, can I be a manager, can I be a manager? So I said, I'm not very comfortable keeping someone and talking on my behalf. So I kept my brother only, my second number brother, bhai, tu kar le, and I'll give you money out of
Whatever,
it and all
हाँ.
करके. At least you're my brother. So at least
ये
you
तो
be very
पता है ना, काम
transparent
आएगा.
with me. वो मेरा नाम बाहर खराब नहीं. Because what happens is most of the people, काफ़ी लोगों ने किया भी है.
काटते हैं नाम
आर्टिस्ट को
वो.
नहीं पता है बेचारे को,
हाँ.
तो उसने तो बोलते कि हाँ वो बंदा कुछ बात, ऐसे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं, तो उन्होंने बात कर ली है, पैसे ज्यादा ले लिए, गए, इनको कम है, ये lot of things has
No, with
happened.
me also, sir. Like when
Yeah.
I was being managed by, not gonna name that agency,
Yeah.
big fucking
Yeah.
agency, and my own manager. So there was a phase where I stopped getting shows, and that was very weird because I was like,
Yeah.
why am I not getting shows?
Huh.
Because my prices had risen when I
Exactly.
was whatever. After a while, I got to know there was the manager's brother also who started singing in the industry.
Ah.
So कहता था, sir, for example, Armin charges 100 rupees. I will get you this artist for 20 rupees. So ये
हर जगह की कहानी है ये.
हर जगह.
हमारे इसमें भी ऐसे ही चलता है कि फिरोज ने एक्स अमाउंट बोला है, हम उससे आपको कम में ला देंगे सर, कर लो. फिर वही होता है कि कभी काम खराब होता, कुछ तो अच्छे निकल जाते हैं, जब कोई कुछ काम खराब हो जाता है, ये कॉल्ड अगेन फिर उनके पास पैसे नहीं तो देने के लिए. एंड आई डू दैट ऑल्सो. चलो कर लेते हैं, किसी का काम खराब हो, लेट्स जस्ट फिक्स अप फ्यू थिंग्स,
Yeah.
शूट फॉर एन एक्स्ट्रा डे और हाफ अ डे एंड गिव इट टू, एटलीस्ट उनका प्रोजेक्ट तो बच जाएगा. वो मैंने बहुत किया हुआ है, बिकॉज आई बिलीव काम होता है मेरे लिए.
हाँ,
छोटा बड़ा नहीं, हर
exactly.
प्रोजेक्ट. अगर कोई बोले नहीं सर छोटा सा काम, सर काम छोटा नहीं, कैमरा तो वही लगना है, एंगल्स तो वही लगने हैं जो आप डिसाइड करोगे ना. इट्स नॉट दैट एनीथिंग गोइंग टू चेंज.
True.
लाइट डीओपी अपना लाइट करेगा तो वही लाइट करेगा. जरूरी का नहीं है मैंने बजट दिया तो मैं थोड़ा सा ही उसका डार्क दिखाऊंगा फेस एंड ऑल दैट. मतलब मैं नहीं उस चीज को मानता.
Firoza, have you ever had those days? Like, I'm pretty sure that because me
Hmm.
being an artist, I've had those when you've just woken up and said, "Fuck this shit! I'm not pursuing dance anymore. I'm gonna get on to something new. Like, I'm gonna leave the industry or just chuck this altogether."
ओके, वेरी क्लोजली आई से टू दिस कि कभी मैंने ऐसा नहीं सुबह उठ के कहा
हाँ
या कभी रात को सोने के वक्त
हाँ
कि,
वही.
you know, अब जाके से सोचता हूँ कभी कभी कि शायद आई वुड हैव learned something else in terms of some other craft, business I'm talking about, apart from the
The
industry.
business side, yeah.
The business side. I'm not talking about the industry. Industry side में तो मेरे बहुत सारे options हैं. But because I have a vision, so I'm very good photography little bit. जो pictures में निकालता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत, video shoot कर लिया अपने लिए.
And अब तो
कुछ
सीखा तो होएगा. on the
Exactly.
set.
So when you're with some great names in the industry working, you get to learn a lot of
Lot
things
of
because
stuff,
they are
lot
the
of stuff.
creators. The whatever vision you seeing, they get it on your canvas for you. So big respect to the cinematographer, your people, your team who's right now shooting us. They've been coming before an artist,
Yeah.
setting up the lighting, the shot, and we're ready. And all the levels properly, mic, everything. So a big thank you to them because they are the most amazing people to work with, making you look good. Respect to them. So even वो एक regret है कि यार शायद कुछ और side में करते थे तो आज थोड़ा वो
A
होता.
side
That is the
quest.
only thing. Otherwise,
You've
Yeah.
never said.
no.
But if not Feroz Khan, the choreographer, then
Yeah.
Feroz Khan, who? Who would Feroz Khan be?
फिरोज खान जो अभी है सिंपल वही
नहीं,
कभी भी होता.
as in, had you, because every human on this planet has a backup career.
हाँ.
कि अच्छा ये नहीं होएगा तो
हाँ.
मैंने लॉ पढ़ी हुई है, मैं लॉ
हाँ.
पे चल जाऊंगा.
हाँ.
अच्छा ये नहीं है तो चलो उस पे चल जाऊंगा.
पंगा तो वही है ना, मैंने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं. तो ज़्यादा सिर्फ पढ़ लेता हूँ, लिख लेता हूँ, और बिकॉज आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड सो मच, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, दिस इंडस्ट्री हैज गिवन मी नॉट जस्ट money to run my kitchen. He has given me a lot of experiences
Exposure.
and exposure where I have whatever I'm talking to you right now.
Hmm.
ये कॉन्फिडेंट आया है लोगों से मिलना, इतना अब्रॉड ट्रैवल करना, महीनों महीनों अब्रॉड में रहना, लोगों के बीच में रहना. I've got those confidence and my teachers, my mentor, conducting and talking to other clients and everything, that made me really strong. तो उसके अलावा पता नहीं अगर यू सिंग द जॉब व्हाटएवर आई हैव बीन डूइंग राइट, तो शायद नहीं करता, तो शायद मैं जब डीजेइंग मैंने सीखा तो शायद मैं डीजेइंग म्यूजिक करता, ये ज्यादा से ये करता मैं.
अभी भी कर सकते हो. I mean,
Yeah, अभी भी
yeah.
recently my wife told me, why didn't
Why
you get back
not?
to DJing and all that? You were such a you used to play such good music that time. मैंने सुना है. सर नहीं, मैं सीख रहा था और मैं कुछ प्ले भी कर लेता था. एंड मैं हमेशा भी यही बोलता था कि नहीं, हाँ मैंने इतना कुछ नहीं किया, बट मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था बोलने के लिए. हाँ मैं करता था, कुछ करता था, आई यूज्ड टू प्ले म्यूजिक. तो शी गेव मी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अर्जुन रामपाल.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh, yes, he started
Yeah,
also.
he still plays.
He still plays.
And he's playing from his scratch
From his
days when he was a
scratch
model.
days. Yeah.
He's learned DJing properly and he plays with the parties till now. Abhi bhi, after being such
He
a
does
big
shows,
actor
yeah.
and all, and is such an amazing. I know him personally. I've worked with him. And हमारे तो initial days साथ में रहे, मेरे तो senior है काफी वो, तो मॉडल तो वो एकदम अमेजिंग रहे हैं, तो एक्टर भी अभी अमेजिंग है. तो शी सेड के व्हाई डोंट यू, एंड आई नो द बिगेस्ट डीजेज, माय फ्रेंड्स वो बिग डीजे क्लेमेन, हु इज द ऑफिशियल डीजे ऑफ IPL एंड ऑल, ही इज माय वेरी गुड फ्रेंड. ओके, सो शी सेड व्हाई डोंट यू गो बैक टू डीजेइंग, व्हाई डोंट यू लर्न. आई सेड नो, मैं करता हूँ करूँगा. सो दैट वन थिंग आई रियली वांट टू डू, and inshallah Yeah.
you will do.
yes.
But yeah, I mean, it's been a very fun podcast. I just have certain few more
Yeah.
questions because I just got reminded. What was that auto rickshaw wala phase that you had?
ऑटो रिक्शा वाला
हाँ.
तो आज भी है यार, मतलब वो तो कभी वो
हाँ.
मुंबई में और आप ऑटो रिक्शा में नहीं बैठो तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता. But that is the most quickest ride you have. but अभी तो ट्रैफिक वर्क की वजह
You've
से,
driven it also?
मतलब एक दोस्त की रिक्शा थी उस टाइम पे, तो एक ग्राउंड होता था जहाँ पे ये अपनी सारी रिक्शाएं धोते थे. तो
हाँ.
हमारा एक दोस्त होता था, सुबह जब स्कूल
हाँ.
बोल रहा हूँ, जब प्राइवेट स्कूल जाते थे हम लोग, तो फ्रेंड्स मिल जाते तो अपनी रिक्शा धोते थे. सुबह एक हाथ एक ग्राउंड में मार
Ground
लेता
मार
था.
के,
ग्राउंड में वो एक अच्छा सा प्ले ग्राउंड होता था, उसमें लोग सुबह खेलने नहीं आते थे ना, तो बेचारे सारे रिक्शा धुलते थे वहाँ पे. तो कभी बैठ के राउंड मार लिया उसके साथ
Oh,
में
fun.
थोड़ा, बस
Oh,
ये.
fun.
So done everything, yeah.
Yeah, you.
और खास करके तो साइकिल रिक्शा, I'll never forget that. I go to Saharanpur. My Dadial and Nanial is from Saharanpur, UP.
अच्छा.
So whenever बचपन में जाते थे, अभी भी मैं कभी कभी तो साल 2 साल में 3 साल में एक बार जाना होता है, तो जाते थे तो साइकिल रिक्शा बहुत चलाई.
So yeah, from rickshaw days to being. Oh, I want to know the Apple story as well.
Okay.
So what? I mean, for people who don't know.
Apple as in Apple iPhone. Apple
Yeah,
as
Apple
a
iPhone,
product.
yeah,
Yeah. So during my DID season days,
Yes.
DID season 4 when I was judging, that time one of my friend, she's an international producer. So they were looking for choreographers to shoot a commercial. And she happened to call me and she like, Firoz, send me your profile because, there's some international company who's looking for a choreographer and they need a lot of people from Bollywood, choreographers list, and I'm sending yours also. So I've sent. तो उसमें जो select होगा then I'll let you know. And luckily I got selected from that top whatever.
Fantastic.
ठीक है? So I asked her what is it for?
Hmm.
So she said I cannot disclose. You come to the office. So I went to the office. I said किस चीज़ के लिए भाई बताओ. तो उन्होंने बताया नहीं, बोले नहीं disclose है, मैं नहीं बता सकती. But it's an international product and you have to quote your money. मतलब what quote your money? बोले नहीं, as a choreography
Whatever.
fee. Plus they like your picture also, so they want to feature. Okay, they saw your profile and all. I said we want to feature him also as a main model.
Hmm.
तो तू दोनों का प्राइसिंग दे दे. तो मैं यार मुझे आइडिया तो दे. Because she was a friend, तो because she was a producer from Mumbai,
हाँ.
she's like ठीक है तू इतना तो कर दे. मैंने what? तो बोले यार कर दे because it's an international
तो देंगे वैसे.
ठीक है. तो मैंने कोट कर दिया उनको, तो उन्होंने ओके कर दिया. तो बोले will who's shooting? तो बोले सर इमैनुअल लिबिंस्की. तो मुझे तो नाम नहीं पता because I don't watch so many international films and all.
Yeah.
तो मैंने बोला ओके. बोले he's a very great cinematographer and he has shooting it and he liked your profile and he wants to talk to you. और तब Skype चलता था.
Of
There was no
course.
Google Zoom.
There was no
Right,
Google.
right. Yeah. So
Meet.
हाँ, Google Meet, Google पे कुछ नहीं होता था, Messenger से. तो Skype था. I remember I had an old iPad. Was gifted to me by the Mittals in London.
अच्छा.
So वो मेरे पास था, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आप, और मैं DID के लिए I was doing the episodes, I was judging that time. तो बोले he wants to talk to you on a video call. So we did a Skype, and first time I saw him, such a simple and humble man. By the time I Googled him, so I was like, whoa.
Wow.
Okay, that time one of his film was nominated for Oscars.
Oscar, yeah, of course.
Bird Eye. So मैंने बोला क्या okay. मैंने उनसे बात की बोले कि फिरोज I really like your profile and this and that and we want to shoot this and I want to shoot nice Bollywood. So he gave me an idea. So I was supposed to come to India. I'm not coming. I was supposed to come to India. I'm not coming. But you decide everything, costume and everything. And I'll see you directly for the shoot. I was like, what?
Fantastic.
I said, okay. So we discussed. उन्होंने एक brief भेजा था. हमने सारा discuss costumes उनको भेज दिया. उन्होंने सब कुछ okay कर दिया. मैं जा रहा हूँ and I'm telling my friend, I'm not going to say anyone what the product. Tell me. बोले नहीं मैं बता नहीं सकती. We have to keep under the wrap.
I
said, okay.
found.
तो मैं कितने dancers? We need 50 dancers. Your team, I need 50 and all that. So my manager, my brother was there. He organized all the boys and girls for me. We went to Agra to shoot. And then I had taken Shakti Mohan. Very
Yeah, of
famous thing.
course, yeah.
They wanted one male lead. So I had taken Shakti Mohan from here. And I told Shakti, I said, Shakti, SSI, it's for some big, and
Yeah,
demand your money.
yeah.
She's like, sir, you tell me. So I said, this is itna. तो बोले ठीक बोली इतना हमने हाँ इतना बोला okay हो गया. This is literally ऐसा हो रहा था. तो हम गए. We went to Agra to shoot this, and we were supposed to shoot some monument place and all that. So we went to some old Red Fort kind of a thing
Yeah.
जहाँ पे shoot हुआ है वो. तो shoot से एक दिन पहले obviously there was a mock shoot because he wanted to understand how he was very particular. Obviously such a legend. So 2 दिन पहले हम पहुंचे. एक दिन पहले हमारे टेक्निकल रिहर्सल हुआ तो रात को हमारी मुलाकात हुई और मैं मिला उनसे. बहुत ही humble, simple, no air, nothing. Shook hands with him and all that and he explained me क्या होने वाला है. क्या हमला अभी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में नहीं पता. Next day when I was shooting on the set, mock shoot, उन्होंने सबके phones लेके बोले सब लोग we need to hide all the phones. So all the phones of my boys and girls, mine, everything was locked. We had to sign an NDA. NDA had to sign कि आप लोग है ना ये करके. तो मैंने बोला कि अब तो बता दो. बोले नहीं, tomorrow at the shoot you'll get to know what you're shooting for. Okay. So the next day, the day we went to shoot, that day I got to know we're shooting for iPad Air.
Oh my God.
They were launching iPad Air, the thinnest iPad, the first iPad
Thin
Air
Air.
launch. And Sir Emmanuel Liminsky has made me the face of Apple. iPad Air. Well, you're the main in this and you'll be shooting inside. And plus they had called a great cinematographer from India, अपना Ravi Kichendran sir.
Acha, I know.
Very big name. Agnipath and all those films.
Okay,
Yeah, like
okay,
it's
okay.
very now today his son has become very big. So he was called to be in the shot.
Short.
To
Acha,
be
he
in
was
the shot,
short.
not because this is the cinematographer and this is the
Yeah.
choreographer
Yeah.
who works tandemly to
Yeah.
build up a shoot. That was a whole thing. I'll send you the web page. ये सारा हो गया, पूरा हो गया. I was completely zapped. Why they didn't want to do? Because they were competing with Samsung that time. So they're not supposed to leak that they have come to shoot something in India to shoot Apple.
Oh my God.
You get my point.
Yeah.
And then DID was going on. I was the face on television and everything. So at the lunch break, when we were leaving to have lunch, there was a bus, which has come to see the monument, bus full of girls. They saw me and I was walking with Sir Emmanuel Liminsky and the entire Apple team. So they saw me कि Feroz Khan, DID, ये होगा. They came running, screaming, shouting and उन्होंने मुझे mop कर दिया. I have that video also. Mop because Sir was like, Emmanuel Sir was like, what? So like, he's very famous. Someone said he's very famous. He's doing the shows and all that करके. And plus then he saw me doing with my old iPad doing how I shoot and all. So he had something in his head. So वो वहाँ पे ऐसा हमने फिर shoot किया. We had dinner in the night. And then he like praised me and like, you're amazing. ये वो सब हो गया.
Rest is history.
And then he gave me a card and the Apple people gave me a card, but this is a card and I gave my email address to them and like we exchanged numbers. 1 महीने के बाद में ना मेरे प्रोडक्शन हाउस का मैंने ईमेल एड्रेस दिया था उनको, तो उस पे एक मेल आया हुआ था. मैंने पढ़ा नहीं 1 महीने तक. देन वो मेल मैंने खोला. बोला यार मेल आया हुआ, पढ़ा नहीं. मैंने वो मेल खोला. वो मेल में एप्पल का लोगो पहला आया. मैं ओपन खोला तो द एप्पल पीपल गॉट इन टच विद मी बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू डू अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री ऑन मी. बिकॉज सर इमैनुअल सेड कि फिरोज का डॉक्यूमेंट्री होना चाहिए. I said, what? And 1 महीने पहले का मेल था ये. तो when I replied to them immediately, they replied to me. बोले, we've been waiting for you. We didn't have your number. ये वैसे सब हो गया. They could not get my number to get in touch with me. वो मेल पे सब बात हुई, फिर 15-20 दिन हमारा मेल चला। उन्होंने एक स्टोरी क्रिएट की, तो आई यूज्ड टू बी टॉकिंग टू ऑल द एप्पल पीपल ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड।
Fantastic.
And then they launch. I remember I was doing Happy New Year का last song, the finale song. We were shooting. I was helping Geetama and me. I was helping Farama to shoot the song in
shoot the
Mumbai, and that Dubai wala scene was shot in Mumbai as a green screen and all that. That day, the Apple iPad launched www.apple.com. तो जब भी टाइप करते थे तो मेरा फोटो पहले आता था एप्पल आईपैड के
Apple
साथ
के
में।
साथ.
उसके पहले उन्होंने आके डॉक्यूमेंट्री मेरा शूट कर लिया था। एप्पल पीपल केम टू डू अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री इन मुंबई टू मी। They paid me separately for that also.
So there's a documentary.
There's a
also.
documentary on me with the Apple. And उसके बाद में फिर ये लॉन्च हुआ, तो उस दिन मैं आई वाज शूटिंग विद SRK सर फॉर हैप्पी न्यू ईयर,
Yeah.
एंड इट लॉन्च, मेरे पैरों नीचे जमीन निकल गई जब मैंने www ऐप, उन्होंने मुझे लिंक भेजा था कि फिर व्हेन यू टाइप दिस योर
You will
एंटायर
see.
पेज विल कम विद योर पिक्चर एंड योर राइट अप ऑन द एप्पल वेबसाइट।
Fantastic.
तो मैंने टाइप के आया, आई हैड टीयर्स इन माय आईज, आई वेंट अप टू SRK सर, आई वांट टू शेयर समथिंग विद यू because my first iPhone 3G was gifted to me by SRK sir.
Oh, okay.
Can you imagine?
Oh,
I think that was 2008.
Yeah.
He gifted me my first iPhone.
iPhone.
बिल्लू बार्बर के सेट पे हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे,
Ah,
and I was fasting. I remember, and he was
Irfan
the
Khan.
face of Apple. He was face of Airtel.
Yeah, he
Shah
was a
Rukh
face.
So we were shooting with Deepika and Shah Rukh bhai, and then he called two phones from Airtel because वो Airtel की SIM के साथ में आता था. He was the face of Airtel that time, and new iPhone had launched. So he had gifted me my first iPhone. That's why मेरा वो रुझान रहा है वो Apple products के साथ में वो करने का. Then I said, because of you, I'm here today. He was so happy. Even Mr. Rahman called me. Yeah, Rahman sir called me. If I saw your poster on, billboards in America, on
Wow.
the buses. So every Apple store around the world had my picture holding an iPad. Of
This is the iPad Air.
this is the iPad Air.
But yeah, that is, I think such moments in life actually make you feel like you've, if not achieved anything in life, but it makes you feel कि हाँ भाई, I've done my bit in this world, and I've been there, and I've put my 10,000% in whatever I've done. Have you ever ridden the high horse? Have you ever had that phase कि you were like, I'm Feroz Khan?
कभी नहीं आया. I'm feeling right now because I'm with you.
Right.
No, because I'm in such a warm place, which is an art gallery. I'm just feeling good about it. So no, वो एयर कभी मेरे पे आएगा भी नहीं, ना आया ना, because मैंने कभी सब चाह नहीं था, बस हो गया. I never urged कि I wanted to be this. I just went with the flow, like I said in the beginning. I just went with the flow, and I'm still like that person only. I'm like a water. Keep
You fit anywhere and everywhere that
yeah.
water goes.
yeah.
But it's been a wonderful podcast, Feroz. Yeah. I can go on and on because I think there's so much else also to talk about. But yeah, of course, I'm pretty sure that you also have a busy schedule. So we wrap it up quickly. I just have a few rapid fire questions. So I want to keep like we call it the heartful moment. But
Okay.
before that, before we get on to that, I want to ask you, what has been your most heartful moment in your entire journey?
So during DID season 4, my parents were called. अम्मी तो गुजर गई थी तब तक. मेरी खाला जान जो मेरी अम्मी की जगह ली थी हमारी, वो थी, और my father who had come from Saudi that time to see us.
Oh wow.
So they had invited my parents on the show, and that was a heartfelt moment where I could say literally to them that I loved them, and thank you for everything. And they spoke their heart out.
biggest achievement.
That was the biggest episode also on that.
Yeah.
That was
I
my
think
best moment, yeah.
that-
Z had given, all thanks to ZTV.
All thanks to ZTV.
Yeah.
Wow, dude. This has been wonderful.
Yeah.
So yeah, we quickly have those rapid fire questions. So
And I have something for y'all, a very...
yeah, there's a surprise.
there's a surprise, which I'll tell you after he finishes
No,
rapid
can
fire
we have
round.
this
No. First rapid fire round. That is a
yeah,
surprise.
not done.
Yeah.
So ठीक है. Okay. Quickly, huh? This is like the Karan Johar type rapid fire which we have with our guests. What matters more, connections or consistency?
What matters most?
Connections or consistency?
Connection.
Connections matter.
Yeah, connection is very important.
What does success mean to you?
Success means to me, I don't know how to say this. Success is like if you're blessed, you're successful. And I
What
feel
is an
blessed.
ideal good day in your life? Like, take me through that day. You wake up in the morning, you go work, and then you like. What is that day? What does that day look like?
See, whenever I'm shooting, it's always exciting that you shooting tomorrow with some artist or, for some project. And it gives me like, I'm going to like an office. For me, it's that. I wake up with a lot of freshness. Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan in one word.
Can you read this? Farishta.
Farishta. Oh wow. Oh wow. Salman Khan in one word.
I'm not.
No, we are not comparing.
Exactly. Comparing names.
We are not comparing.
Because I have dealt with both of them and
We
I
are
spent
not
some
comparing.
amazing
Yeah,
time.
they are amazing in their own genre.
Amazing in their own world. I will still say this.
Farishta, part 2.
Yes. Yeah. Because I've seen them. And I still know what they do.
Farah Khan in one word.
Oh my God. I don't know why I wore this t-shirt today. Not because you're going to ask me this. Because these are the people who really meant so many things in my life. And one word for them is always beautiful soul.
I hope
That's
Farah Khan ma'am sees this. I mean, I hope
Inshallah, she will.
She-
And they're all being like Farishta in my life because they have touched me in a way when I really wanted most someone to be next to me. And they were there.
in your hardships.
Even in Geeta Ma. They all this. I don't know why. I
Geeta
wore
Ma,
this
so
today.
I've seen and heard that she's a wonderful.
Yeah. She's my family. She's
She's
wonderful.
given a lot.
Yeah.
Biggest regret you've had?
Biggest regret that I could not spend much time with my mummy. Yeah, after I started working. That is only regret.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, that's
Because मैं
scary.
काम में बिजी हो गया जब इंडस्ट्री में आया तो बस बिजी हो गया शूट काम जब बीमार पड़ी तो फिर वो 3 महीने में सब कुछ was over. I think that was the 3 months which I've just spent time, but not in good this thing because she was unwell.
Biggest career lesson
Biggest career lesson is for me or for everyone?
for you?
For me, it's always you need to be consistent. Whatever you do, you need to be humble. Whoever you're dealing with, you should be respectful to everyone who you're meeting. And just keep patience, sabr in your life, and inshallah, you will achieve everything.
Sabr.
Yeah.
That's going to be the name for my episode, actually. I'm
Yeah.
going to name it Sabr. But biggest lesson you want to give people?
Same thing, what I just said, respect your parents, especially because they are the one who will get you there wherever you're going to be. I'm the best example, I feel, and you should always be respectful to your parents and then even respectful to other people,
Yeah.
your siblings, your friends, your work people, your environment, everything. And just one thing I always say, just be patient. एंड जब मिलना है तभी मिलेगा आपको अल्लाह ने एक टाइम मुकर्रर किया है सबके लिए शायद वो टाइम हो जब आप दुनिया से जा रहे होंगे ना शायद वो टाइम उस दिन भी आए बट जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट डे
Wow. Beautifully said. One thing the slums taught you forever.
Who?
The slums.
Or to be grounded because we used to be sleeping on the ground and it was beautiful, amazing. I still feel that hardness
But
on my softness
Can
skin.
you go back to living in those days? Like today's time, if I tell Feroz Khan,
I would first, without you
Go,
finishing
yeah.
your question, I will still go.
go.
Yes.
One dream still left to achieve.
Just want to, my family to be happy, my wife.
Do you have any dreams per
fam-
se? No, it
No,
doesn't look
I-
like you have
no,
any
no.
specific.
No,
dreams.
I have lived all my dreams.
Yeah.
Because मैंने वही कह रहा हूँ ना मैंने कभी अल्लाह से पूछा नहीं ना कभी उनसे मांगा वो बस देते चले गए मैं लेते
अल्लाह
चला
ने
गया तो I'm just content. I just want just one thing I want my family, my wife, all my siblings, my father to be happy and everyone to be happy around.
And sorry, they'll be happy. What is your next 5-year goal?
Just coming out stronger because जो last 5 साल में जो मैं नहीं कर पाया in terms of after COVID 6 years now. So I still want, recover everything because everyone has gone through that. Like after COVID, we all are still recovering. There are people,
Emotionally,
we have recovered. Not too many people have recovered. So I still want to recover from this last 6 years which we have lost. I want to just, just bug up for that.
2 boons and 2 banes from the industry.
2
boons and 2 banes. 2 positives and 2 negatives.
See, positive for me, everything has been positive. It's like just
Any
take
2 specific incidents.
So just take 2 best things from the industry is अच्छाइयाँ जो लोग कह रहे हैं उनसे अच्छाइयाँ लो अच्छाइयाँ दो and then avoid the negative. If someone's trying to be negative, you don't be negative with them. Don't be political with them. Like in the beginning, he asked me about the politics in Bollywood and everything. अगर आपने politics से अनसुनी कर दो and just be, you know yourself very well, then you know everything. You don't have to listen to anyone. Listen to your heart. If you're good at your work, just go for it. Just be positive about everything.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So that is the end. I don't have a hamper to give you, but this is the
No,
end of
the hamper for me is this boy who's sitting right in front of me. I have known him from last so many years.
Yeah.
We've spent some amazing time in
Amazing time
London.
together.
That was the best time we had. Few days, and we enjoyed. And he's been an amazing human, beautiful soul, an amazing singer. And I always wanted him to be an actor. I don't know what he's doing in the podcast, but he's doing beautiful. He's doing amazing.
Thank you.
And I'm still telling him to become an actor because he can do a lot of things. Yeah. And I want you to be an actor because you
know if I
have.
can.
I've seen that in you. So try that, and even singing. And the family is beautiful. All thanks to my amazing and dearest friend Sagar Suri from
Sagar
Shunmu.
Suri.
He is my like
Figure.
1 a.m. friend or 2 a.m. friend.
Yeah.
Anytime you have to call him and ask him anything. He's my younger brother, by the way. But still, I just feel that we are connected, and बहुत ही difference हमारे age में, but we're still we are still good friends, and we feel that we are very best of the friends. And I can call him at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night, and he'll always be there for me. And likewise.
I
Yeah.
hope so.
Yeah.
I live after that. But genuinely, I think this has been our longest podcast is ever. That's why he was also saying. But this has been so educative. I don't want to stop. I swear, because
know.
it's so insightful, and coming from a person who's lived, you've been breathing your work. You've
Yeah.
been doing your work. You've always thought about work. I want to be a workaholic like you. In Delhi, abhi bhi, you're here to celebrate a wedding, but you're still working. So I think this is
No,
how a
once
person
you
comes
Sagar
to-
said कि ऐसे ऐसा करना है, okay, Sagar, whatever you
Yeah.
decide, I'll do
But
it. And
this
for
is something-
Ariman, his
yeah.
podcast, his place, his team, I would like to say a very big thank you to entire team, all the DOPs who are here present, the entire back team, and your Vinny.
Vimy.
Vinny,
Yeah,
thank you so much. And they were very hesitant to call me because पता नहीं आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, but I said I'll be there, and I'm here today. Thank you so
What
much.
is that
And
surprise, by the way?
the surprise I'll give you is nothing major. I was just singing. So basically, every time you have seen him giving educational talk and everything, you have not seen this man moving. So I thought I'll just make him dance in his chair.
No,
No,
please.
you will
Please,
dance.
please,
One of my songs
नहीं, please.
I've
We will
choreographed
do a-
from Dostana.
Yeah.
Better, isliye I'm not making you stand there. Otherwise, I have to change the entire frame for you and all that. I don't want to do that. So let's just sit. So one of my career change
Yeah.
song was Dostana, Madal Adla
Yeah,
song.
Madhagal.
The remix one,
Yeah.
which comes right in the end of the film, that's the one I've
Madhagal,
choreographed
yeah.
and became very big with John and Abhishek,
Abhishek
and
Bachchan
Priyanka
ji and
Chopra.
Priyanka
So we've shot for like 3 days, 1 day each, and then we had a great time, and that song became big. उसके बाद में मेरे सारे फिल्मों के गाने, गल बिठे मिठे बोल, अभी मुझ में कहीं, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू
मखना,
हुई,
वो
मखना.
बहुत-
So many songs, all thanks to that song. So it took me so many.
अग्निपथ
अग्निपथ, अभी
हो
मुझ
गया.
में कहीं,
अभी मुझ में कहीं was big.
बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया. So many songs. I still Dildara from Ravan with Shah Rukh Sir,
There
Dildara,
should be an
Raftare,
entire, yeah, list.
Bhare Naina. So many songs. So yeah, so coming back to the step, I want him to do one step in the chair sitting with me.
Okay.
So उसमें क्या होता था, हमने मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया, so आपने से हाथ पकड़ा, you have to do it. I'll be capturing this properly. Okay? So what we do is we shift. तो माँ ने अपने बच्चे को गोद में लिया,
हाँ जी.
ठीक है, और उन्होंने राइट में 2 बार उसको झुलाया है. मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया, मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया. Again, मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया, मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया. Now we'll do it on counts.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8. मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया, मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया, मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया, and मादा लाडला बिगड़ गया. Thank you so much, everyone, and love being an amazing podcast. Thank you so much. And
Yeah, guys, I mean, that is Feroz Khan. You would have seen him everywhere on TV. He's your go-to man. And the good part about him is that I've known him for so many years. He's very approachable.